group stages no and one a draw no etimi eba so far groups na ba ye beti nkomo na bedwafo gram na ya hwe obia chances a wo saso na ne owura mu of 5 major European leagues na omo summer transfer no ene ebi eba na we 11 p.m. ebi dia ya 5 p.m. saso na owura mu Saudi Arabia da benda no omo transfer ni close na take dia na da bai ni nyina ne de wonsam eso e de ebe bro ensam pi ne de bre no achi ebe wuram e wo Ghana yan kasa ye nua manom ampem da ko afọ kogina Ghana na mu e wo fu zone B o Nigeria o makogi kruwa na e de aba nsam be ne from aso eba enu achi clubs no so far preparation no say ne city we nsam pi ene na no pay wo full time dwumadie so ye de eba be dan o ma bibia kama wadwen kire bia no de fa Facebook a ye be kenkan dia ma ya sembisa ye be yi ano e dia ma mi din e de lutakin Friday bia no metem atwena bibia kama na international abu dia bi no ahome kakra na bia so e fan abadwafo be sin konwa Collins atapoku betena se Jeffrey Asare da apostle betenenka na Michael Asare Bodu ono so obetenenka production on and Nas, Ricardo Varas, Sasra Murphy, and a Prince Ebobome, Sasra Alaji Sheikh Tofik, Eso Asababi Romufi, Alko MCR, Systematic Elho, Sasso, and a Kelvin, any Oboyima, Buzi, Omina Homoboame, the Jumadia Diabronem Shannon, San Sanamon and Sembabane, Jmoko Badaruma, and Omboechi dominated Jumadia Diabadawo, O Paquem Tuatua, a Jumakonia Bacope, a Lucas Travel Consort, the Lucas Travel Consort said. Say Canada, United States of America, say France, Greece, Germany, country ben apasa oko, or more and a so for me amount guarantee. As a baby abe kubian baby abeda, a juma obeye on krata sem, o da obedam shibi anho, evisa omu ewo dimpa, omuna man said jo matum, and until Lucas travel concert for say, found a bomwen, obeso kosuadia wa bruchi, obeso komobra, and I jena kwana kwantum, obi my so dear, a Lucas travel concert bra no mo fan kora bibianya kama man eno achi dia du twa mo maso ene say visa before payment gawuta ganama omo de entesa fili gado chansa visa ne ba ansa no twa sika e dia mo open traveling passport open birth certificate anase open bank statement ni nyina woni bia obo mo metima bo ama ho setima kabi eno atwa mo say omo pa adwuma fo no ma ya adwuma omo pa marketing manager sales personnel, receptionists, administrators, shop attendant, and a house help, and accountant. So qualification bet me apply. Bet me from 0534 543210 0534 543210 or from omnubedin commercial which acquire our tema Gulf City, the Bianya Kama. Then watching the 21st clinic, the expert in sciatica. We will be an antique cabana to a situation. We will be now coca can when you be man so. When you baby antina ukwa a 21st clinic omadaruma and an encrofu kwati dinibia omoke kabra omunim yaden kofa by yaden kofa su tu ase yaden kofa su pamono na 21st clinic there obi ani na wiane enso kane ntwene mu anadwo ebiso omo odimpa ba sciatica there omo na ise Ghana ni wiase nyina ni mu omo na yade ayi niti ye nhya 21st clinic anka sciatica eje encrofu do omo to ho sciatica eno omo yira ye pamo omo na 21st clinic say enye sciatica yade na so to ase eso eye onan kokom entima wonko entima ni akwaniaba eye na agye wato no enye no kwa no say yade bebre eno mo sa bo ma so ye fruit trees kosu na ase yade bia no omo scan machine omo laboratory omo be wura ni padua no amo ohunu yade kro no metima to ase ediama eno chien kan cho so mo branches bebre ewo Kumase ene Ghana babia oba Kumase mo ahwia overseas omo bem Alpha Radio obo ase council quarters Court Junction wa Akromo Domi Market and a Sunyanubo Womon Cransa and a Techma for 21st Clinic 0249 311 311 0249 311 311 0540 311 311 na Kens and Munyam for Kennedy akompreko na se shikaya yi akompreko no MPP amanyoko no samanhia brand new efia da bia no nan ekosi no nsia e wo Sompa ye TV station ene ye kasa fidi a e wo nkransa ene sunwane kumase na pamfo betena se no ma din wa dance pa efisa brabo pa wabo abra oyem rase bedwani e wo Asen Central ade hye wo Asen Central se do sibu a wo mo ohwe MPP amanyoko no ade wa ye diam wo mo eno akire Ghana ha obi a wonya MPP amanyoko ne ekwamo wabo mo ade hye nam Canada Japan so ene omo nsa koma no omo hwe mabusua no enye ade hye kuma eno ntino wase ebraninie momwa no na o me Frankantuni mfama MPP amanyoko no na no nipa no super delegate conference no omatima toaba ne diama no na brepa ne sedura mumpiane no me Frankantuni mfama MPP amanyoko no na bia enye kamanti na Friday no na ikosi no nsia mesro ebre no so no watie bi na bibia eso aye kama na drink ne ba ko pe eye miso fruit drink ye ka miso fruit drink a enuaba and ya swimwa and ya diet drink and no kwaya resebia bia and one will be anom oko a program biasia a miso fruit drink and obia enom program biasino a miso fruit drink a more de ema ho den e ma wo yare mpo a hutimi to wanum nyo da wanum timi da o kama e ma timi ye bia kama a miso fruit drink if say no mapa and ya diet drink dia badwama so ne o misa 5G eno de e mema metena se anu makamfo e dia munya binunom na bebo mo papa evisa wo nante kakra no wabre wo ye adwuma kakra no wabre eya no wanum enya wo de emfifre esana wunya misa 5G a jensi ne wo no emema duro guarana ne wo no eboa enu achi green tea ne wo no eya no ma bebre grapes no so ye enu tunya misa 5G a ebe no ma pine de mani padua na wankasa bon sampa oswa danta ehu danta no se danta wo de eye danta papa enu nti so so per to akoton a o fre number me de betu dwa ya obetimi anya babia obia de babrew na so akoton anya mfa so bebre number is 0246 270221 0246 270221 ofra ya bejo so na babia obia na so ebro bi na so usu utimi koton a wetima akoton na bibia eso aye kama eno ensem no omadaroma no obo machi dom na no pai ama ye de eye amono nsem edebro na mom de tu anim say ye penipa mienu do makwa abrochire ne do mokwa UK ene do mokọ na when say e do ko so a o kwa ye ma residence permit na resident permit na de ma no bon sampa wo kwa adwuma na mo bia entata na nipa mienu no so ye obi a o pese o kwa abrochire ko adwuma o pese o kwa abrochire na se wo ho etimi to wa fe na mpa sesi e nipa mienu pe ene ye pemo e mema so ne ye pemo number is 0241 272990 0241 fra ya bejo so na nkomo bia no ye ne wadi o madaroma na ye pese ye de amonone nsemi eso de bro na bibia so ayekama ebrani ne ye be break the data che ne dan wa ye ncha sem free Zurich Diamond League no na upiema no na nya fadi agro ne nyina so upiema eba emema na ye ncha sem free mema no 200 meters no na emema no 200 meters no a branch world athletics championship o team ekwaji gold medal of United States of America ye fe Noah Lars or no any team win enra Zurich Diamond League no 200 meters or no any team say win ye e ba be bia kama na wo twa enra seconds a odi wi 200 meters na 19.80 seconds and Noah Lars edi wi enra 200 meters o team koye no now the compare world athletics championship 200 meters or koye na se enra esu etmiti ye 0.5 seconds and esu etmiti ye eno e de dawa ye jamu esu edamamo ama bia kama bra onu edi nkunim no na abranti e friend Erion 19 esu for United States of America enya second position 19.87 seconds and Ezan Hughes from Britain Tosmiansa 19.94 seconds and omusu edi we ya open memory 200 meters no and we timi we kama and watching abranti Noah Lals ye busan so pan after world athletics championship no okoka sembi na sem na okoka ni say open America NBA for the obeji NBA champion no was we world champion e man di nsem pie by na di ntina okoka na sem no ubase a kire mu say
things about it. To be honest, I'm just glad that we're having the conversation. You know, it's been an underline for so long, but nobody really wanted to talk about it. And with everybody actually saying things about it, now you have dialogue. And of course, maybe there'll be opinions that change and maybe there won't, but at least we're having the conversation. It's funny, if you look at my comments, you'll have people in the U.S. versus the world. Everybody in the world is very much on my side, and everybody in the U.S. is usually leaning towards the opinion of the NBA. But
and we in summer, Branton Noah loves attitude as a Nania Chesa conversation and Komobi Air Coso, Kwesaway and Crawford US and Crawford Yase, na Omomo Yasin Tanachi, and when you're the Mukama, Adam Yanko and Meman poll vote. Now a Meman poll vote, while Branton Bakwa is about poll vote, yeah, we are Swanis as well, Yafa Mundo Duplantis, or no NSI Ewinier, or the 6.00 meters, and a Meman poll vote, or Timuria, or the NI Ultra Walla, let's championship, or we 6.23 meters, and our team Edwin and Elsewhere on 6.00 meters, near a Meman high jump, now a Meman high jump, and also acquire Edma Brother Mutas, Esa Bashim, and a team Ewinier, or we 2.35 meters, and a Odi Ewini, our Zurich Diamond League, and watching a Meman 5,000, and also acquire Edma Branton, your Mif, a year, Kajalta, or no, and a team Ewini, what a 12 minutes, 46.9 seconds, and a Otimidi Winnie, Emma and Memano, a bomb 5,000 and no Koye Dimamo, young command or Diamond, a league to Zurich, or call a man 100 meters at Dela, a bubble free Jamaica, you fed Ed Daniele, Williams, and a team Ewini, or also a team Aquan Kama, what the AHS, no man, Kukuna Kwama, or team Ewia, a Brannes Headers, or team Kwan Kama, and what you call a man on 3,000 steeple chase meet, and there's a 3,000 meters, and you have steeple chase, and also you are Baba One, your friend Edwin Fred Yavi, and it's me Ewini, and all, and my bear fire, and a man 100 meters, and you are Baba One, your friend Shaka Richardson, or no, and it's me win the United States of America, or no, at 10.88 seconds, and a Shakari, as to Edwin, ya, be bear come around the time or do we here, or to compare a Budapest, Nessa, a sorted by 0.2 seconds, and no at the door Dimamon, and watch a money 200, as to Aquaye, Edma Sharika Jackson, and it's me winning Nessa Sharika Jackson from Jamaica, a winner with 21.82 seconds, and on it me winning maybe pian, as to it be a fine, and no at the Paneba a triple jump, a man, as usual, Nessa Babawa, your friend Julima Royals, and it's me winning maybe pia, as to a come and no at the door Demamo, na Gabagua, your friend Ashonai, Miller, na Baba one of me patro, or the Insebia to job, also won a Baba Mano, a year 4 months in here, as what me two, a man 400 meters at me with Bisayam, so 4 months in here, now 400 meters I win on Jenny Ramu.
I just give God thanks and praise. Got my little bundle of joy. I always wanted to be a mom, and it's the most amazing thing ever. And went to Budapest at the very last minute. The body started to feel really well, and we said, hey, let's just go out and get a run in and get it back into competition with the ladies.
how many races did you?
I know young summer. Papa wanted to try Timam Young Ram and now UEFA Champions League group stages in drawn it me to draw. Monaco, Amano Pebe on Sempi Atmao, Nemo Roma Yantra Ellen Holland, and your Papa Wa, your friend Aitana El Bomati, or no represented Barcelona in Spain, and Ellen Holland, as to every Manchester City, Ellen Holland, Oba a UEFA Men's Player of the Year, what Timmy Enyaye, and Papa Aitana, as to the UEFA Women's Best Player of the Year, no, on the student set to Mikaye, and Omodomo trophies, no, as for Mutitim Komoka Kaka, who's a Bebe Kama, now Barcelona, group of Barcelona woman, or Ebesha, Shakhtar Donetsk, na Yamfan to a name, I said because of a normal cost of Ukraine, and Shakhtar Donetsk, and Barcelona, game on Ambabon, Ewo Germany, I go Prama, your friend, Air Force Park Stadium, Lyon ho eno betimi abo a game no Hamburg eno de dawa ye jejamu eso edi amamo na enu atu ramo Arsenal sporting director ye friend Edu Gaspar enye bisa so for Champions League Arsenal be bobim na after draw no day and abeka wo a group B Arsenal Sevilla ni PSG and loss e won ho.
Then it's very hard to play against, so we are here happy to be in the competition again, which is the most important for the club, is most important for the player, for the staff, for everyone. So now let's enjoy the competition and let's see how can we behave in that competition as well. Then it's very hard to play against, so we are here happy to be in the competition again, which is the most important for the club.
And on Arsenal happy so much back on the Champions League and the most important thing and when some of the two Arsenal player your friend Nuno Tavares me the two him so Ramon Nottingham Forest and pay a loan deal no done and I confirm Ningland sa Branton Ska Arsenal GF from Nottingham Forest well £1 million with option to buy and we 12 million pounds send loan deal no Barawena Somba Tona 12 million pounds and I add one by 3 million pounds escape it my PM and my Jamuna no pay as for Adama e wo dwumadi so na yenwamo Alex Iwobi obod my Everton aka grab na Fulham eso ne Alex Iwobi enya awie na okwakọ ball dwuma kama eso ede ama wo mo obeka no am de unsem P20 ene deba ene transfer deadline day na so ramo Premier League ma 11 p.m. obewram e Fulham na so ram na Fulham bien twa mo third jersey na wotwi awie ye omo ebehye ede etia Manchester City enu ye china Premier League game ebe to twa no Fulham ni team friend Man City jersey on behye ena eda so mo third jersey ena on behye na Fulham at the bid akoma Tottenham Hotspur esa Brandon Emil enu ye Pierre Emil Hotspur omo elpeno on side of pam the 20 esa 58 million pounds which is 50 million pounds and 8 million pounds add-ons ebe ram edama Brandon ye fro show Paulina o Ramo Bamunchen na na team of Fulham so mo replacement the replacement no and no promise submit to bid and akoma Tottenham Hotspur esa Brandon friend Pierre Emil Hotspur omo pending number na wa be replace a player your friend show Paulina I'm a pure sweat my camera and no edeba ye jam edema na ye Ramo Kopama Manchester City player na o Ramo Chelsea no me patro ye friend goodbye messenger or demo Manchester City no ye fa entro so na ni nyina se Kopama I say goodbye to Man City was in Ukraine nyame anim nie or better o man se papa was City I am part of the life for the last 15 years na eno achi no or better Pep Guardiola and the staff from better o say na o maybe no or say I will be forever be grateful to Manchester City and your Kopama the goodbye messenger what team friend of Manchester City no na yan try no pay abra was signing the deal at the Chelsea no na se be pay kama o try bra one in agent your friend Frank Trimboli that's almost so room sign no and that's kama I'm a player fan na Jesse number or beshe at the Chelsea no 20 no ya try Palmer na so be boy 21-year-old player no adwuma be bono no na sika no na 45 million pounds eske rom yente in summer abrante no ede tuka abra bibia ede dem no na so oba be boy adwuma dem Chelsea yente kakra.
Really happy to be here. On the pitch, try to be exciting, take risks, score goals.
When I pull up, they're like, who's he? I'm in a big Jeep, horsepower kicking like Bruce Lee.
Raz took me under his wing when I broke through to the first team.
When I pull up, they're like, who's he? I'm in a big Jeep, horsepower kicking like Bruce Lee.
Can't wait to meet the lads, see the fans at Stamford Bridge. Hopefully we'll have some amazing memories together. Really happy to
no Kopama there's a Chelsea new signing settlement canon no now Rama Branty friend Jefford Tankanga no Obo Edmund Tottenham Hotspur ne so Ramo in medical no pay Edmund to friend Osberg Bundesliga no a loan with option to buy and on Rama Sergio Reguilon so no Tottenham Manchester United no and Manchester United I just be beard dema and Genesis se medical no wanya kra wie medical na se bibia so kokobo adwuma se loan edama Manchester United na Manchester United awie goalkeeper bi from Fenerbahce ye fene Alte El Beinda na Aite Beinda from Fenerbahce 7 million euros is Manchester United for and the Kofano and the contract in a 4-year deal with option for another year. Let's say 2027 2028 no na so far where the first Turkish player of Edema Manchester United and no Edeba now United let us be there. I'm the comma Sofian Amrabat no Fiorentina rejected here the American say United for a person on the loan with option to buy 30 million euros as we etimiko the United are ready disappointed there and then could be some in the bar and no Eddie Dawa ye German the United will play me your friend Jurado and your Mark Jurado says we're free Manchester United Wogram Ediamatima you're from Espanol hot woko boy Jumadamoma a denier permanent a Branta Mark Jurado as a Kobo Jumadamoma and no Edeba now over friend club a just at a press conference no when Yasha say you saw clubs opening a Branta Gravenberg now made it to him son pay what touch it down our Liverpool our bed medical so far on some at say
to disappoint you directly at the start, but you cannot talk about that because nothing really happened yet. All the decisive stuff has to happen. So it's Friday, right? If something happens, we can talk about it on Sunday.
Okay. If it is
I know a club, I don't know. That's Obon Pebby Biabetmasi. Now, and watch him some more seller. They move to Al Ittihad, you know. Boy, and Chemuka, Mr. Club, send a salad in it.
The position remains the same. Absolutely, no doubt about that. We cannot. That's how it is. But yeah, nothing else to say.
No offer.
Let's say, Bibia J. Onimo offer Biamae, and your club and somebody to the obsessive so far transfer window way. I have success for a camera at the Ama Liverpool.
Yeah. Look, it's like that. We pretty much have to reinvent the team. We have to. The midfield is now already and will be completely new. Over the last few years, we had to do the same with our front line. The most stable area is obviously the last line, but now not because of the.
There's an improvement, and your club Nadia Tuyanem. Now, young Rom Niansha, Benfica Romo PSG, as on my brand one Bena, or more person movie, Demitis, or more the final stages are, or more person movie, now brand one Bena, a Kobo Jumadima Benfica, and watch it, Ginny Wainadum, or no sono, or call Akopemo Al Itifag. The last 2 days, Gerard Nedim Komasa, then Medicano, or Yanin. Let's Romo Al Itifag, a couple of Juma at Jamon. Now, Bonucci, as sono every Juventus, a Rum at Yamatiman, your friend Union Bellina, when they said the Okobo Juma, about Player Kama Jesse number 23, and a Leonardo Bonucci, as to Ebetma Sama Player Kama, and Vito Namon Famia Sokaka, Nanko for entry, a Juma de Bobby Papa at the Amatima, your friend Juventus answer, now all through at Miracle, and no Leonardo Bonucci, no, and who answer. Ya de amam nyamwa Barcelona na Barcelona de meeting say João Felix almost said they are ne o betime wura Barcelona na per portable say João Felix wanye training and from Atletico Madrid that there was personal reasons na dem say Atletico Madrid in Barcelona et my reach agreement Barcelona a try approval from La Liga say guarantee no ma betime kama et amam no metime dinaba na yantwa Jules Koundé ni IG adeno de akoto no akwa weni bola and entam kase wonya shada and you Jules Koundé no na plan your friend up there our Barcelona no be 27 no a crucial day on Barca pan information and no pan agent no and Barcelona pan information hotel bi Barcelona no we and the tennis boy no be Korea Betis and you prepare something to Kolembo na come penilon the American say Barcelona for permanent deal at the ama up there ame so Roma team Saudi Sevilla efo nyina ni abre na mom je favorite na Real Betis omna din komana do akira omun sabet makano na Yao Cancelo ono sano pay Barcelona at official proposal akoma Manchester City already wo him Mendes and kan ye adwuma na to dada e formalities and omun janese bi biatma didam aso adam omo eno edede wa ye jamu aso edi amamo ye Roma Real Madrid omu train na omu ye omu timu kofa enkoda ne bi Nico Paz Manuel Angel and Gonzalo Garcia mo eno be training kama eno edede wa ye jamu aso edi amamo na yentwa Inter Milan omu video omu diaba for Benjamin Pavard aso omu confirm so waba omu to the team the Frenchman joining on Facebook now happy over Benjamin Pavard video na setima jafeno Inter Milan diaba the French omu say case bianwa want me so na se djuma no omu de bamanam na ye kama aso edi ama womo eno edi fro eba ye jejama video na efe papa eno ene daswa ye jejamu edima no na urama Inter Milan omu yesan compare United player ye friend Donny van de Beek na mum anyama so omu short list no na player ye friend David Klaassen ena na edasro na David Klaassen wanya touch it down aso ewo Milana or Ben Medica aso edema to friend Inter Milan na the contract no or best 2 years kwesi 2025 with option for another year no watima sana bibia ye kama eno ede ba mi jamo na dem say to Inter omu ntwesi kabia matima ye friend no Ajax dem omu Roma Champions League baby on bedu no no ma tweska na Roma matima ye friend Nottingham Forest and near for Divock Origi omu so many abre boy no sunya Premier League ma Origi beko akopa do ma bibia ye fine na mo Mediterranean said them two anim no ni deal from FC Porto to Milano akolapse enyama so eno e ba no contract aka 1 year na so better FC Porto na Roma Napoli having Lozano ono so no oye ni medical eso ewo a PSV na se ewo Dechary divisi no from Napoli no okobo adwuma eso dia mom na bibia eso e come na Lazio for them since Brent Mason Greenwood adesa on entourage no our former Mauricio Sarri so Mason Greenwood and Kwan sign na mum demetem and say after na Mauricio Sarri obe take decisions so peno say on peno and we dey ba Weston McKennie on so the meeting na no pay Celta Vigo for abebusa no nsem and watch Galatasaray to offer be what turning it down them say obetina Juve na mum Oreva Max Allegri person setting up no a backup Edmund Timothy Weah and no Edeba Atalanta Roma Dortmund Brentford Mukoko ombetima nyana a loan and option to buy no more pay them say Dortmund person maintaining a Brentford feno Mukoko and no Edeba na mum Upema Atalanta play for Luis Moria from Colombian striker adesa office menu from Serie A Moba anka omopenon na mum diamete and sabani nya person kolemum Atalanta person kipuna se backup Edma Brentford Gelu Kaskamaka and no Ededawa ye jejamu Edama monano pay ewo dwumadi no so na emom yamfa eye Papu Gomez ane obe terminating contract with Sevilla eye mutual termination and oba beye na se wo free Sevilla boboko no na be bi ope oko na yamfa ene major European leagues no games e pass on any fancy Uramo Premier League man about 7 p.m. and Luton Town and West Ham United and the Bepim so na Uramo La Liga and the 2 games na toja about 5:30 and Cadiz and Villarreal as for Bepim so La Liga no and we are 5:30 and 8 p.m. UD Almeria about Celta Vigo and we 8 p.m. Yempemo Italy Serie A and the 2 games na toja about 6:30 Sassuolo and Verona as for Ebebo na bi biaso aye fine and no e de dawa e de mama no chino wosa ewurawura e Romani AC Milan and we 6:45 and no so ebetimi abaso and no chu Roma Bundesliga ebo A6 Dortmund and it me friend Heidenheim as so Ebebo na League A and so Nantes Marseille and we 7 p.m. and we de 10 nyina so ne fan small de bobo ano no yemfa ensia ye dai ho ba de akanyina no ya de beto so e de amamo
wahwese wako shop akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua nso a yaka kire wo se untimi nchante ye me chance na ma na so he ya keke Water Provisions, Fuel, Inro, Iniane, Metrese, Bia Opesa, Biano, Vodafone Cash, Amana, remember Mao, here obey the say, Obed Dallas star 110 hash, Netia Kako Merchant, Bia Ho, Network, Biasu, and Nia.
Vodafone. Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Bigger Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Bigger Odds this season, and you can walk away with the grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash, plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrady office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Ifia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you ranks to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Bra na minya Royal Foam mattress no. How bebre na me komu. Medam panosweni na atom. Na mechi kase so na me honam nyina ya me ya. Na de akume kra ne se. Ya no mo so beda aso ape. Na wagya me. Na minya Royal Foam mattress no. Pa kwasi da aso ape. E na oya me ho ade. Congratulations dear. Me fa no kwa. Asedan komo Royal Foam. Quality mattress papa fi. Oji aware Royal Foam. What manani relaxation aye de. Awuto so a wunya wo mu ne se. Royal Foam mattress eye papa. Eche yie eye quilted mattress inti. Woda so a ama wona ye foam. Se woto mattress free Royal Foam a. Teche wo free pillows. Royal Foam aje abasobode e wo 12 Ghana Business and Financial Excellence Awards no mu. Yet on quality duvets, curtains, beds, ne carpentry foams ahodo nyina bi. Hwehwe yen wo Royal Foam showrooms any sales depots a wo Ghana fana nyina. Fre 020-227-1000. Royal Foam, rest assured.
What dum? Ama, afei na wo hwehwe do.
Oh, medofopa. Ntawantawa bi wo ne udofo ntemu ana.
Oh, odo somimo.
Odo somimo.
Oh, Jai.
Sonim se medofa.
Oh.
Jumedie ibawa kwemu yawada na jubia. Efri nundu dikosi dumienu. Ewo Sompa 93.1 FM.
Kaise eye odo somimo.
Right, yes, I'm about the Sompa 93.1 FM. Jumadi atin konwa so de bro ni dia da so full time. Prem to bre ne be sori konwa so. Sam ready birthday special. Ona odi on birthday abeka nsa wa ha na yi jumadi no break akra na dia celebrate mo. Na aye kama. Yan kasa ye nu friend Ortega. Mo for Ortega de no ntosma me ba twa mo ni kan for Ortega de no ntosma me. Ah, mo for Ortega de no ntosma me. Yan kasa wura mo Cape Coast. Na se Cape FM. sports or ye bi ho yankasa ye nua no Ortega ene your birthday to Ortega ye ma happy birthday Radin shop adwuma no na gusu na ye ne kama na bibia enkoyi emfa emma eno de da ho a ye de emma mo eso eno no okay yankasa nua se Shamu and so do birthday one kasa what done for friend Nas or a chief producer ewa dwuma ye ne ye sports say on one sha say won kwada mu ntia ma happy birthday what say there was Sompa ewa bunu half nti say Shamu happy birthday Radin shop na bia enya kama ene ye wo Evelyn Chema na Evelyn dodo na frɛ eye Mabina wo Kumasi Central Police Station ho na wo ye adwumanti Evelyn happy birthday Radin show no mo ho ban na bibia so enye kama emfa ema na ye wo Amisa Felicity Amisa mumfa no ntosoma me na yenhwe Amisa so de nice one Philly ya ma happy birthday Radin show na omo ho ban ma said de na wa woda wo sere no sede eni wanim saa wo wonankwa aka nyina mu happy birthday saso ena yankasa yenua bako ese ye mane ba ye friend Uriel Steven Owusu Ansa na ese wonana ye friend Pastor Steven Owusu Ansa Presbyterian Church Trinity Congregation ewo pakoso eno wo si Uriel Steven Owusu Ansa ma happy birthday na Radin shop na wonana akwa wasofo pon de on fam paibo eni nyamsem entete na bibia enye kama ma saso ena ye ma eye Akosua Boatima happy birthday Misunku Malewa Akosua Boatima dina woda ene Akosua happy birthday we sports president and I say yamfe dwumadie so ema happy birthday na no manyina nkoyi emfa ema eno Akosua eno no saso ene ye wo Cheryl Mami Esi Akwa Mami Esi happy birthday Radin shop no mo ho ban emaye na de odon sabe ka bia no enkoye mane Radima wunyini eme panyimpa emo brapa emfa emaye ene ye wo Vida Ababio wo summer boy Vida Ababio summer boy na yankasa yenu fa ne chapters ene se ma happy birthday enti Vida Radin shop na no manyina nkoye yankasa yenu fa no Mickey obeba summer boy into oba no ahwe ne ye eso de amaye pa no amane baby partner chapters and say my happy birthday and your prophet authority Godfrey and a prophet to birthday na owo akropon esase na ye my happy birthday ebismako pokwa sare and say mfe adwumade so my happy birthday Radin show na bia enye kamama and your pa kwasi and a pa kwasi so birthday na pakwasi umami efani Jennifer Ofori Apia o sefi Debeso police station ene se yemfe dwumadie so ema happy birthday nana dwomo a wo sefi Debeso ene se yemfa dwumadie so ema happy birthday so ene wa Elder Kwadwo Asmadu ene Elder birthday Elder asumdwen kan wo happy birthday Radin shop na normal bia enkoy enfama we presiding elder our Bethel English Assembly Church of Pentecost Techman and our elder Nyankopon shop enfama and Amos Che Jemfi and Amos birthday nti Amos Che Jemfi Ukosku Global Model Community School Dwabin and then what is 6 years ya ma happy birthday Radin shop na bibia so enye kama emfa emaye eno de na yankasa yenua ye ne no eye adwuma ewo adwuma mu a Murphy na umami din birthday one fa mami okay Madam Elizabeth Anderson yankasa yenua ne ni wo adwuma mu ha Murphy nti mama ya ma happy birthday Radin shop na omo ho ban emaye na why are this what matiti Murphy said the Murphy tie Murphy ya Murphy
you pia my bag now they don't come for somebody else
Murphy pia my bag
oh massa papa me go for Olivia Brown don't come Murphy once menra enye Murphy ntina me go for Olivia buy no Murphy ntina me go for Olivia buy no endra no Murphy ntina me go for Olivia buy no
Mate, kwaku na say? Oh, ade.
Now who Murphy, my man, now who Murphy, in a body near you.
some no doso.
Ano
debate no ene.
Ano anasem.
Kwa kusa bia hye de.
Nyame adom luta bibia ye kama.
The nyame ase. Na bom Roxy Travel say nka nchiro bia say omo edi nkrofo tu kwan. Na omo epese so pese okosua de wabuchira omo na de obekọ. Na school abekọ sa scholarship mpom beje de ama. Pese okobo football wabuchira omo ado bekọ be peti ma ye kama de ama. Say no chu pese okobo bra say adwuma na pese okoya eye Roxy Travels omo nkwa na de obekọ.
O de ni bi no.
Enkonkoye nen na sembia obekọ akọju akwantimfi. Hona be nso be dru na woni antotonto from omo mfa. Roxy ntesa ke mo da room fan chero enu ntom se health workers momra no mfa mo kwisa ayaresa bia bi wabuchire da be da omo so mo pe health workers ma wo mo enu achi ne so pe Schengen visa on be gibi dia ma no tim dia roomi ewo some countries bo Europe sa so na omo no ma bebre wo ye teacher ni a ometima abo mo nya school akochira de na enu achi pe kuwita ko companies outdoor se omo pe factory workers ma omo eni adwumafo bebre ma omo nti omo se bra so pe passport a omo bia ma sa so na enu achi no pe birth certificate je adu twam kura no se wo ye obi a ope se private jet kura na apese omo han bi ma wa omo betima abo mo nya private jet han na adwumadie bia o de akwakoye eni Roxy Travels no na akra omo kasuwa omo ne Methodist Church ene je nhwe na kumase omo asafo VIP omo golden home touch abroad na mu fra omo e 0257 776730 and 0557 607 375 na bibia nya kama
na wan kan wo se Saudi Arabia omo so omo pe central phobia
ya koya de na wiet
kwaku ene me wa IBD nti mame ma e 12 minutes and no be a time so ma ba kokran count 12 minutes yon kire
ba te wada Roma enti yemra screen so ene e fiada edu fiada say so a ade stronko a de bia na wo se ye bo hu dero de ma eye omo hwe ne omo tie ye the golden booking code about we dia ba for the 2023-2024 season send last week ye be di ho nkomo no this week dia so to aso sa enti code no aba
enu akra no mo send me dia ma me
wedding kaya that way wedding kaya wo dia ne dada
enu around 1 p.m. na message ni bae unya ni ba bia o omo abesan asan dia bronom sa dia title say e ma oyem nhyehyew so na so wa ni a on be refund sika ma entwa ne less than 1 cedi and entwa ne more than 50 cedis
simple
betway
enti and this weekend there no aba
code number
exactly na dodo na kire so munhu kwan on be fa so menya code no my simple demonstration wa
into
your full screen na oba betway website ne pe baby a slider ne wono slider no ha na obehu the booking code into yesro he ya ohun say use your golden booking code 100% back if your bet loses and or the code no and so the account into 1% your mabe how bebre a eno an say obe click bet now bet now no na nka say options ne the amount matches ne na allowed the amount wa ha no into be options ni na 12 matches and the West Ham ni Luton Town also West Ham be winning Everton airbo away against Sheffield Ochina Everton be winning Tottenham to beat Burnley away Chelsea win at home against Nottingham Forest Brentford to win against Bournemouth Man City win against Fulham Brighton win against Newcastle United Liverpool win against Aston Villa Crystal Palace win against Wolves Arsenal win against Manchester United Real Madrid win against Getafe and Barcelona win away at Osasuna and to can in aboma odds no 1012 and to try to 1 cedi a osika no e bro eye yemfa ne say 1000 cedis into utra ne 1 cedi pe omebema 506 Ghana cedis win boost into ubenya 1518 1 cedi
betway
exactly utra no 10 cedis it means one number 15,000 cedis in terms of winnings now the share no utra no between 1 cedi and the kokosi 50 cedis betway ebe ma usika no if o bet ni wini but say en wini so a ade obey refund at the amount by courtesy of free bet until last week omo try no we bet na ndinti ade a omo de obi asika amane back omanfo obi asika amfanye hwe oma refund osika enso at the amount enti luta yen semre yenya ne ntentem yembo code ne so code ni offer pen ne paper no atro 27 F4 EBA 27
F4
F4.
F4.
EBA.
EBA.
Exactly. Into way a golden booking code for this weekend. And no a courtesy Betway. Send them didn't catch or no. Why I'll be fast or obey who booking code no. And one say obey you to slide no. Not what me a you so be also be kama at the amount. Yem free or na yembra and same Andra. And a Champions League group stage draw no eba so. When you am boss because Emre Panebeson I may me at Nasi be groups in him. In group A, am I an interesting recount? Here are some of the iconic games are and what UEFA Champions League Nima Luta. And simply Manchester United Bayern Munich in the final in 1999. Now the America this was a memorable occasion. United coming back from a goal down, but we need game no 2-1 with less than 3 minutes remaining in the game. A baby iconic idea woho, and I believe most of them who follow European football Ghana hano. This game is forever fresh in their memories because sad time na do one starting ya European football nibi and so timi because na Ghana ni Sami Oseko for Ejina Finfin and Timayu Bayern Munich in group A. Omo look like the favorites to qualify from this group because Ahwadeno Omo Diane was through the same Copenhagen and Galatasaray. But Galatasaray were some of the biggest upsets in Europe. And then they also have one of the most iconic venues in Europe. Almost stadium on so munyacho kokoshewa. It's a game no one year careful pe. Omema Dania Boso. A United war a vivid memory of this. The last time Omoko 2012-2013 season under Sir Alex Ferguson, United Kolusu by a goal to 0. Burak Yilmaz Neshede Momo. So this group Ebema some historical games ni repeat ebetimi aboama ni omakoso in group B ye was Sevilla ye was Arsenal ye was PSV Eindhoven and ye was RC Lens are making a third appearance in the Champions League. PSV and so back. Now the interesting bit is say PSV is one of my interesting memories in the Champions League. Maybe famous memory of them abra no mo banda gusedink Saturday no more Park Jinson money way then omukoshia Olympic Lyon then who had the likes of Michael Essien and Juninho Pernambucano. It was a beautiful game. And my boy, it has made me fall in love with PSV. But then they now want to swat but they will still want to prove a point. And then you were Arsenal returning to the Champions League after some years out. Bears 6 years, 7 years, counting. Arsenal will be making an entry into Europe's elite competition. Saying Abeko, Ateta, how would they write the script? Now for Sevilla. Omani Arsenal were history kakra 2006-2007 campaign Omumi Enusheshe Omo Sevilla won their home game 3-1 Arsenal won their home game 3-0 Omo Beshia no saying Ebesiako MT Metepese Arsenal Sevilla are the likely teams to make it out of group B. In group C Napoli, Real Madrid, Braga and then Union Berlin. I want to talk about Real Madrid but may say Adaje group stage. You don't expect Real Madrid not to make it past the group stage. Napoli looks like the second strongest team in the group. But there's a story of Union Berlin, and it is this man, Urs Fischer, of Switzerland. He's a coach. Why Jumana was Switzerland, the mother lies of FC Barcelona. About the Union Berlin Jumedieno, he has been progressing the team year after year. No more Bundesliga 2, or the more qualified by Bundesliga 1. Bundesliga 1, no. Or the Omokobo Europa Conference League. Then the year after, or the Omokobo Europa League. Then the year after, or the Omaba Champions League. And the Abeya gradual progression under Urs Fischer. And senior Alex Ferguson, Yedema Manchester United, no. Union Berlin fans no think that he represents something. He's an embodiment of a club based on the recent successes of Omotimenia. In fact, or the Omo qualified the Bundesliga, no. He was the one who made history for them. Not a BNC that in the history of a club. Until Urs Fischer is entering the Champions League. But I think that they will need to punch above their weight if they want to make a mark in the competition. And also Metepese Napoli, Real Madrid out of this group. In Group D, Benfica, Inter, and then Red Bull Salzburg and Real Sociedad. It is quite a tricky group. But Benfica in the last 2 editions of the Champions League were toughing and then were shocking some of the big teams I need him some your favorite. One against Paris Saint-Germain last season did not lose a single match. Then even in last 2 seasons, Benfica were responsible for shocking Barcelona. Don't forget, Omoma Liverpool even a scare. Wabro Mukushaya were the knockout stage. They are in here. I tipped them to make it. One, they've maintained their coach. They've lost some of their players in Enzo Fernandez, in Gonzalo Ramos. But Benfica added or made ensured say the return of Angel Di Maria may possible. He has come back to the fold. I think they are good enough to make it here. And then Inter Milan also to make it out of the group. In Group E, your final, your Atletico Madrid, Lazio, and then Celtic. Celtics are coming in with Brendan Rodgers. Brendan Rodgers, a former Liverpool, former Leicester City coach. He's bringing Celtic into the competition. Final after winning the league. Almost will lose quality kakra, but you expect them to still play delightful football. Atletico and Lazio. What I see here in this group, and they say about the most boring group in the competition.
Are they?
Yeah. Teams know will be very tactical than give you beautiful football. Enti emube sheshe omo na de wo hwere se obenya no wunya ne sa. And you bet me born after 4 or 5 match days. Kwa ni enye hu de obe qualify.
Sir.
Yeah, ebe basa. So I think that any team here can make it out of the group. But basically, I think Atletico for everything will want to atone for last season, a more dreadful performance in Europe. And they will make it out of here. And then one of Lazio, Feyenoord and Celtic, in Group F. I want to make interesting dynamics. Now, the story of Sandro Tonali, the story of Alexander Isak, Mebaso, but I am moving on to Coach FN, say, Eddie Howe. He's making a bow in the Champions League for the first time. Sain Obesiako, I think he's the only English manager in the competition. England managers are not penny the only English manager, and then he doesn't even have experience. He's in a very tricky group with Dortmund, with Milan, with PSG, who have tournament experience. Newcastle team, no, not much of them, and not most of them know what tournament experience. Tonali in the crown, basically 1 or 2 seasons in the Champions League with Milan. You go to Kieran Trippier, who also has some Champions League experience to some extent, due to an stint with Tottenham and then also Atletico Madrid. I think, say, it will be in terms of the experience, but there will be much more time to delve deeper into it. But Sandro Tonali, the enemy member, so there's Alexander Isak. He's returning to his former club from AIK in the Allsvenskan in Sweden. And not about Dortmund. Dortmund no buy, he came there as a teenager. When you enough time to demonstrate say our quality in the year, but he still gave Dortmund some beautiful memories. Although say he went on loan, he will return to Dortmund as a man now. He left there as a boy. Now he's a bit matured. Then obey against the former side. That will be another story to look out for. And then Sandro Tonali facing the former club and then the boyhood club. When you're AC Milan U team, where you be academy awate. But academy no much AC Milan JC. And this boy has fond memories of AC Milan because now our idol back one share, and that is Gennaro Gattuso. So through Gattuso, no, he became fond of AC Milan team, no, and then he got a chance to also play for the boyhood club. And then the most memorable part was that, we need a Scudetto with them. Now he's left. Omujiska, Oma investing into their playing body. Sandro Tonali is returning to Milan this time around as a Newcastle player. But I believe that the Milan Tifosi, Omobejina Tumua, they will give him a memorable welcome when he gets to the San Siro. Near Hussein and Yoma and Suez Ebesiako. We aired a video of Abrantia or Davi Klaassen. Klaassen will join Inter Milan, and that would take me to Inter Milan group, near Hussein and Yoma and so Ebesiako Diamomo. In this group against Benfica, Davi Klaassen and Salzburg and the Real Sociedad. What does he bring on board to the Inter team? I think that Inter have added players, players there, but they've added players. And one year, the feat of last season might be difficult for them to reach this particular campaign. Last season, Omoko final. This time around, it could be a different story. In Group G, your Man City, Leipzig, Zevenas Vader, and the Young Boys. I'm looking out for this battle. Kawaka with speed. Speed no opa. Can he match up to the speed of Osman Bukari? Osman Janepa. So Osman Bukari versus Kawaka. Watch out for it. But I think that for some time now, City are very fortunate in terms of Champions League draws. Say a group stage, knockout. Oh my day. They are very fortunate. Almost I have drawn every City group of Bekwakotom opponent of Beshiano. And I think they have a very good draw here. Leipzig, so they've beefed up their team. Marco Rosa, a quality attacking unit, and then it seems when you have the fine balance of the side now. So Leipzig and Man City to make it out of this group are very much probable. Letting Group H, Sebasa for a qualifier, I will see a banning or move from Europe.
Oh, are they? Are they?
For the past 2 seasons, Barca have not gone past the group stage. In this group, our Porto, our Shakhtar Donetsk, our Royal Antwerp. Now in Shakhtar Donetsk no a team I familiar kakra, but the almost side now depleted. They've lost quality because of Ukraine-Russia situation. The players need the Brejejai. Now the base of their team now, they are basically new and untried players. Inti ahwadene shada nyate said the Shakhtar na ni no. So above from against Royal Antwerp. Antwerp are making an appearance in the Champions League with little experience and little quality. If Barca cannot make it past these 2 teams, and then even get a win at home against FC Porto to ensure qualification, I will see a banning or move from Europe. And on this note, I will have to end here.
May I say, and we are Michael Saribodu and our saying Kana. Papa Poku Ebre and your name of Shannon say, Dimpa Gasto, Dimpa Menso Plus, a be drawing a bit my babuapa, and a cat Dimpa Heba Missana, a malaria natural typhoid fever. When we know there, and wapon waposia, as why Buhu, Unya, a Dimpa Heba Miss Ebabwa, and your war Dimpa Gasto Missa, and also Uyam Crew, a stomach osa, Mount Sankabi, a bit to a said amount, a mooking Timpa, Emma Yamun Sanfro, and watching your Dimpa Menso Plus Messia and no Obabu Nsa no ayase oya mojan emaye unya bebeboa your menstrual disorders ni nyinanom nsabuo anasa o menstruation emu ha nyinanom ebetu ase e dia ma open do so pado ni kiremo misia ba kumase jeffeba mankasim pena heba Cape Coast nimje heba watakrade na na boache ba wakra na setema na ekusoma suwa shama from 0248778899 na bibia enye kama Papa Poku
Omira
say no matter ye
bibia dadi ni eto kakra bi me ofa se akomia 3 days ni maintain nka me friend on fa all course awankra me ntino ne oyeso aminim ntina
ya baby o wono ura ship mu ho baby a oye yi na ho omomom mfa fo no
they say me ofa se no afes get ko stowaway sa na okwa ana
very important say yen go bi unfi nipa ne papa and asuma no sonko di djuma no port say be ni papa just to win for ko baby a
deadly boy
business you can akomia wan na business no
you
can akomia wan na business no yes na mo baby akomia wo bia ne nyum na ba no mo va man ma me baby akomia wo bia ne nyum na ba no Fanisha Winchena, who Johnny say Kim. Some the way, but Tramitio. Mira, I'm say a Jamasono, and nobody have a chef called me for Sydney. Mina Mukrem. Palinia Nanya could be more Germany. Jao Palinia. Or Chewa Portugal Dodo.
Sir.
Oh, Palinia saw by England already 25. And all boss abo we are. Top systems no obia or improve your Manchester City got some added advantage because obey able deputy for Rodri. And I also bet Mama Rodri akobone in him and our boss center back now Obama Spain.
Okay.
Liverpool card and Campo best starting. I'm not now best starting now.
Oh,
I'm telling you, the current Liverpool team, so I'm top alinea or best starting now.
Bayern Munich as a season almost so year no maybe.
No, you see, baby also almost solidifying, almost solidifying team in many City akabum. Coach now in the Champions League no Pamono.
Tuchel.
Of course. Why let no more console Hurricane? Or can I catch on say or no Scott McTominay?
Yeah.
Look, come on. Mama Palinia top bottom we top systems if you are. Midfielders no more as here on. And do only one we are there saying. Palinia is an exceptionally good player. For the level and the ball no ball. and the context would always be the level.
Okay.
Fulham, but obviously he's their best player. I call you a Tom man so on Tata or Park Swa. And our Budiani we are no original of ball now. He initiates a movement.
Okay.
Number 6 na nyama Budia me na me greasing the debut. Who's original on ball about Obesa debut. So after tackling of a ball movie, I mean, I come here church and the game then the skill set. Uncle Bayern Munich. I could do Germany. He's a Portuguese international.
Okay.
Now move way. I said Danilo starting.
Sompa FM.
Oh, Ruben Neves also starting tennis. You. There is no way a Bayern Munich number 6. No, onya starting ya. What's a Kaiser must starting for Portugal for no. Answer. This guy is the guy. Also,
okay.
And I'm happy for him. Say at 28, he's getting that big mover. Now, last season, ball Premier League, you won't send him more than money deserving. Manchester United, Akofa Sergio Reguilon. Na Esre Kakra.
Oh, what they?
Akra Onimbobo. Onimbobo. Ne bibi na.
Bibi beya.
Ebete bodia ebayira humemwa. Ama na amo. Mira.
O peja ni dini peja.
And na Onimbo ne bo. But that time no your 4th choice. Marcelo ho omukofa Felon Mendy beka ho na ekwan ne wa yeah emfa nti also opie ko pebibo e na de ko Tottenham
yeah
e chi ko Sevilla na let come and create pen. I mean Sergio Reguilon was a good player. Not this not the first time Manchester United had pen. And then the modern was from Ubeka say on Nyade. But there is a player in there. If they can coach that player out, he would help them.
Okay.
And I
say
would
left backs in prepare.
Yeah, I would love to see him do Reguilon pass off football no ban anymore.
I think Chelsea for Bompire and come Rasta man.
Maybe until now no more. Oh yeah, there.
Chelsea for Rasta man.
Korea and until now. I'm former there. Manchester for Domas. You know, I would love to see him. And then but me fan and then one judge players. But I would love to see say so nya kwanya na and maybe they were done a deep pain or bit miss on their banner. Manchester United asma or director of international football negotiations Matt Hargreaves so unko Tuscany baby Florentina one unko no ne Amrabat nko di nkomo to mo dey airplane ko na say airplane ba na Matt Hargreaves nko na timu a na akomia pa onka ship num because obeying someone the questions those. But this is how modern football is. Fiorentina for no near oya team na friend Rico de Comisa ne buafu
ade
sa bid no mo de koy no mo say ateni kra no mo di om sika no mbechem tu ombetima breaking in January ne sa no because player no omo options man pa o na player na chinchin Fiorentina and South o machiche say next year I can 1 year into more than normal loan and there must be an obligation to buy yes or be free. And there are other teams, Saudi, Italy, Spain, England, na Fulham pen. What's your uncle? Manchester United no pay. This on why you say Manchester United would have to cough out the money Fiorentina are looking for. And until the commissar train some mumra, no mun first canemra, no major mu player no mun.
The player Papa just said United for penny pa.
Menye sure penny pa come find that.
Good because almost say no. Acha mi unse bia na omo ade omo promo nsanka
e wi ase ne sanete omo de omo ni hwe baby football no say won tin negotiations na say a omo obi anka omo pe but them say nipa ne nya available is one thing wanting somebody and they say unya me help
yeah
but me available
dabi
maybe a night 2 weeks time na available
okay
until when the player becomes available you take advantage of the situation until Manchester United are Italy trying to negotiate with them. So look here, Peno. I'm more about Mudi this or more than the Beba. Na BBA Timia
Sompa FM.
Chelsea are signed Cole Palmer. Nti afi mo so mo spending na dru sen. Mo ma yu so
Kojo dache hene Cole Palmer.
It's a much as be man mra.
Kojo dache hene Cole Palmer.
Ye beba ho. We know or your bench warmer or City. So what I say. But Waba Chelsea. I was hoping maybe Moses here. Inti mpese meti ase ni inti pa se nye money laundry. Di inti no yes ade.
Upon 45 million pounds.
Oh, ne bi Moses ya. Wa mado e kamunye sika ne de tom. Ube fi baby na ba.
Then a chance no more to answer.
So meaning they are beginning to hoard talent because Nusabi or Belgium or no some of the bid cause of pen. Some better go no more turn their pisca.
Okay.
It's a business for them. Football a business. So I say now me Chelsea that cow. Now Krebi was team my friend Nathan.
Okay.
Brazil ni boy be Nathan. I would rather Luther King. Send now crying in ball. Me who baby offer ABM. But Nathan and the man sound with us. Nottingham Forest also need Chelsea na year juma. It's on perhaps not the oko.
Yeah.
Nuno Tavares oko
from Arsenal.
Odysseus Vlachodimos. And so call. Odrin one home you. I mean you can't get it. But then there's a club that wants to do business. And Chibano Muko Brazil Kofa Murillo. And they almost had the beast also. People need to buy. And they are buying. Tino Sane Beba. Johan Bakayoko no akache Brentford after making a 35 million euro offer acceptable to PSV Eindhoven. No player no makache Brentford say Oma.
They.
And no maminu. Akran 18 months ago no making the ndo person nya ball ni bi Bobby kan ho. Cause you have Brentford now far. Mbi momo de ne betina nchen. And a PSV no so ball Champions League ntino obenya akwanya awurewurem. Ana say ubekom no team bi akɔhyɛ akyira ka kyɛ ne sɛ menko next year na waba into that now na bɔ Champions League ne be no kra be ma amanfo ahu ye football a dirty business. Liverpool and Atletico Madrid agree deal for Diego Costa. Jose Mourinho friend na ka kyɛ ne sɛ man nko na the following year obekɔ Chelsea or called ne beko. This was in 2013 season Diego Costa. So it happens. A lot is happening. Obia has any player be movie. Enra Opana. I'm a man that name whole mind. Murray. Liverpool akofa Gravenberch. Na Gravenberch ne ene onya
Sompa. Ebi kra say Bayern Munich for na bumo.
Any problem here penisa. Say Bayern Munich be booming. For a German, a Dutch international. Our ball over 250 games. Me Penosen says Southampton bebu mi aji Romeo Lavia. By which bebu me for an established international. What boy 11 games a man in mine. What the league title 3. Asha Champions League goes. Now onu bumia. I didn't think I mean could you na. But see, this is the truth. We initially some of Liverpool list nearby now. You ever started transfer window? Gravenberch, Mount, McAllister. These were their midfield options. Players somewhere, some penny. And no say Mount Tika no Muntimintia.
Mount your call United.
Yeah, no more penny pa. Serious.
Okay.
But no more is Casem no. Sompa FM. Transfer fee nemum near original. Amunti. No more say McAllister will release clause 30 million.
I'm found.
Prepare for no call. You know, the Mount Sika no commercial bush line. But wait, throughout the window, Omukobi Anaba Munich catcher say he's not for sale. Liverpool started talking to this boy in his camp in April.
Wow.
Until Oma Penache. By now, Nyadie. So what I say, but OGDA will coach na coach no OGDA will no. So Babebo. And you know, say, Mekwakoye na menya player. Met me a moldino. In my man Thomas Tuchel and somehow they are to on the press conference. Tactical Tommy. Or can say beauty. Or see, he's a box to box midfielder for me. An attacking player. The main problem for him is that we don't really play with a number 8 in our 4-2-3-1 system. And we are spoiled for choice up front with really experienced players. He's very nice, hardworking, committed. He wasn't happy with the situation. He sees the chance in Liverpool to fight for a place at number 8 in a 4-3-3. He has wanted to go for a while. An offer came in, we discussed it. It's not done yet, but the outcome is clear. Who need number 6? You found Mwane Ekosho. Also, for number 8.
Hello, Klopp no na so.
Na mintiasiam. Who problem no say who number 6. So number 6 is Japan ni squad player 30 years.
Wataru.
Who the way kobo Ashobi. But when you akwenya confirm midfielder, who say me kwa confirm number 8 an offensive. The coach no. So or your offensive player. So you struggle to understand. But I make him.
Sompa FM.
McAllister was racing.
Nate, hey, me rap. I mean control.
Oh, McAllister was racing.
Oh, you know where out near.
McAllister was racing way baby.
McAllister.
I was racing baby.
2019, 20, 2021, and now 2021, 2022. All but Champions League. Now McAllister win.
Why?
All because why a wrong career move. When you be on board, baby,
transfer
international team no crano. Yeah, you never film.
Omadane, his masters.
Oh, Papa, now who trying? That time away, Bobo Papa.
Netherlands.
Now Enzo Fernandez or defense side just.
Wait. Netherlands.
Madam say why? Odo so mi mu. Eh, Juma ko bia de bro wo Sompa TV no Sompa FM so. Na sanon se eda ya wada eda ya num ya. E na esase anwumre bia no ndu kosi se dumie no bebo anadwo na uyo bia wo problem o relationship mu wa ware enkoye saa so no wanya oba bi kura na keka ne ya odea saa dwumadi no wanya adaje TV fe no odosomi mu akukudam na eba ye be nkyerɛkyerɛ relationship mu no ma beboa aware no ma beboa relationship de beboa motimeto anamompa ne abrabopa ene ye be kyerɛkyerɛ mti da no so a ya wada bia ya wada eba na ɛhyase anwumre no ndu kosi se anadwo dumie no ebebo na watie na bia ye kama ma me ko apostle na apostle sumure mame apostle good morning
Boko dear
nyame adom
Mr. Say with tennis Andy Murray and any Grigor Dimitrov a sad story but once again me can say Andy Murray should have retired about 2 years ago. This was a game where you expect, don't forget this is a ground Andy Murray winning 2012 or try no less a person at the time Novak Djokovic was top form and Andy Murray try Novak Djokovic US Open, so he knows this court very well. He's a former champion of this court, and the manner in which he lost 3 sets to Grigor Dimitrov, Andy Murray, one of the finest, very quick, reactive, and anticipatory players on court. Before Bob no anticipate be able to react quickly, or a very good baseline player, or a good counter puncher in tennis, and say, he's quick to the net to make sure or return to 7, and very good backhand, double backhand player. Very intelligent or good rallies no very good at it, but unfortunately on your hip injuries and tennis also hip there Sebastian on your hip injury no and for 3 operations away or no hip and tiama sabi why America
okay
and no sure and the Muripa I mean obi Wimbledon twice and a Wimbledon this year ni only cheapers but how he lost because he said ahonde no enche den ni hosaba or forces Venus Williams no there for the 3 years or year ni bi no, and I think that it's become more embarrassing for him ebe near baby do no on decided say obeko retirement on Timmy G Grand Slam BAPM. Yes, yes, so
a movement
now difficult. I mean, he's not moving very well at all, and on a typical baseline player, but he was forced to be playing from behind the baseline. On that kind of player, on Jin to me, he's done the best he has to do. In fact, Uyi Roger Federer, Uyi Rafael Nadal, Uyi Novak, the only player ultimately a Mubi Edgy title, him. Or not try Novak twice.
Okay.
2012 US Open. Edgy title. 2013 Origin the first Wimbledon try Novak. Sorry I say. Then Olympic Game 2012 Etra Roger Federer gold.
Sompa
so Mpenyifona obeshi omono unless Otimi Etra Kesie you he's not bad. One of David's car for them against wonderful Belgian side led by David Goffin. So he's done very well for himself. 3 slams, or better than Tim Herman. Tim Herman of Bagana, I remember that as a young journalist covering him. Only Frank Furry before the game. So you're gonna say we're gonna kill ya. What do you say? Not Frank Furry. So you're gonna say we're gonna kill ya. What do you say? Over 7 we go we don't so he's done well for himself. If he's all retire bueno. Karina Pliskova again. I mean, and only Clara Buller. You this a lady that I've been to 2 finals. I mean, she lost Angelina Kerber. US Open 2016. And she was so poor. This is not like her. I mean, her service was not going. Her movement was not the best. Her return of serve poor. In the strength, your forehand, you were not a boy, but I think it's one of those things. For every Grand Slam, they'll be surprised, they'll be shocked. Like Maria Sakkari, every move. She was leading 4-1 or so. What he said will be to be Shiwi, or crowd we know leading 4 games to 1. We know run or Chiwi and then more lose here. So I mean, some of these things are very interesting. But that is what happens when it comes to the slam. Now, Miko Mali. Now Mali, Mamutu Toure. A Malian Federation President, or a FIFA Council member, or a Cavs Committee member. Na ni wa beke dwem kakra. Na aban aso ni mu kakra. Aban aso ni mu because 2013 to 2019 no year on papa 66 on Infantino. Na make sure ni me bia nyatwumne ni me bi about even FIFA, CAF and the development in there. Now, the SC and say, Papa,
Sompa FM.
I'm watching it because no financial that was just assembly church also. Our Mali, time president, the late president Ibrahim Boubacar president. No, now CDBC aka speaker of parliament. No, on parliament national assembly. No, national assembly church name also. And I'm see $28 million be a year. Now on the movie, and the charge you say embezzlement risk and I was on 4G documents. And the makers of the dream. Now. But no nyasem no. Papa we and making sure say because election every election e baso. On making sure say on kwan na be so candidate. And the ono anade from Modibo CDB former general secretary on making sure say integrity test of failure. Na making we bon say between omo no why na integrity of failure. Of failure no Bahala Bay no an media spokesperson. Okoya caucus amfa. Osaba ifa ono mu na nya akwanya awremu eja ananso no caucus no. Caucus no ba e no ose o ma pass integrity. Ono asan ko apile ma yi no free mu. Nti yebeka ono kwa. Yebeka ono kwa tie Mr. Integrity asem. We yan fan business football issues now. 2 years ago there was an audit by Pyramid audit firm. Now we hear no $40,000 aye busun bia ye Sompa esika eto aban to free tax. The staff of the federation firm photo no. Amo tax oji $40,000. One of the reasons why aside embezzlement nyina one is aban so chin says canon to abesi and na aban. Ba wadi. And the American Ghana come the government to senate. But senate and some lazy. So the same thing, why? And what $50,000. $50,000 or no. Omu di microphobia on specified to be able to matter beaucoup. Kratanio na FA no ankasa executive committee council or no executive get high executive council no executive committee no. Wan bo amama ne no chair seska no. Was it asede?
On fam bra nya adwuma na.
And dey say integrity about integrity no so. So o can so or disqualify for integrity. Na e wi obom nipo integrity or integrity no. Now third one. Papa we company be a friend FK Productions. Amuton logistics name no papa so see at the FK name say e say going to business kakra the FK Production be my name a beton amuko ton name $300,000 amutos $300,000 $135,000 ewo Fema Food Mali FA president account mo 144 no mutu ama FK Productions the company no ni Mali registered general ni paper mo nti ena once o kambo ma welcome to $22,000 $22,000 on unaccounted for a developer at 9 now AFCON 2021 Maliko sika be mu $790,000 I saw the man buying no but see next canon ko FIFA forward $1.25 million e buy no one bo anka sebiu e say the executive committee no so on bomb money scanners was unaccounted for 3 years the second I call congress FBI or audited account only be 3 years but we no FIFA for on my election winning FIFA for ba
Was he winning?
Or jail were winning almost 261.
Let's say why no money Jehon.
Say Nyachum no. Now a friend is saying, your eyes is CIA, FIFA for best by election. Integrity no even. Are we following what I'm saying?
Me follow.
Yeah, where you know, observe election no. And we win election. All prisoners win election.
Sompa FM.
As the next, the continuing president of the federation. Yeah, because a member of FIFA Council. And to observe election. Nia papa you know, when is it fit to contest election? Sometimes the double standard by even FIFA itself is so sad and calf. That nia papa ye ni maboni or ya buying classica you see where the ya jelly no massa ba betran omo ni ferry so ba betran ahwe say the panon jina
even class but the system no kase o wo sisia election e course kra no also mutimi jina so the disqualify no
mu the observers by be sure election or win election. I mean, what kind of organization? And then the next you are preaching something different.
Yes, sir. I bet you said tune edin to me no kre.
Oh, they say. Sad, but anyway, Lewis Hamilton at the end of the day, Danyamias 2 years ni Hamilton or Abre Papa. But it's worth it. He's a smart guy. He's worth it because you see, Mercedes here, Mercedes Milano.
I couldn't be happier to be extending with this team. We've had such an incredible journey together. I mean, Mercedes have supported me since I was 13, so such a long trip, and we still have unfinished business. So we are in this together. We've got a lot of work to do to get ourselves back to the front, but there's no place I would rather be.
Lewis Hamilton, the best driver, Formula One. Currently, yes, Max Verstappen will win the third one running, but in the history of Formula One, only Michael Schumacher 7-7. Now, I'll be happier to be staying with this team. That's Mercedes. We have had such an incredible journey together. Mercedes have supported me since I was there, and we still have unfinished business. We are in this together. We've got out of work to do. We got to get back to ourselves to be the front, but there's no place rather than be here. Now, because of gap now, a demo since 2 years in terms of the contract negotiation, or 40 million pounds a year then, and then a 50 million pounds a year noji. But the new contract was 10 million pounds extra a year. Was signed 2 years. But the reason why I now on Pesobeko baby, because you see, Offrey McLaren 2008 on a winning Formula One until Enoba Mercedes 2013. Already 11 years by next year. The same 11 years and Michael Schumacher do a Ferrari. Now, I did back home and say, I am more successful in Mercedes than McLaren or winning back up. Now, Mercedes, the reason why Mercedes, because see, Lewis Hamilton, any Mercedes team, normally you do almost for 7 years running. Tama Max Verstappen, a young Oba, offering Formula 2 and Formula 1. Now Lewis Hamilton winning world champions will be. Now Oba, because Sebastian Vettel, our Red Bull at that time, winning Mark Webber, and Sebastian Vettel, the lead driver, winning the fourth consecutive title, or we did we offering McLaren by. Now by the mate, Nico Rosberg, fierce German driver, and he. But developing partnership be a war, and we say 2014, 2015, or winning back to back Lewis Hamilton. 2016 talk here because Nico Rosberg in TSS say Adena me wa de bia me back am me blocking me make sure so nya kwenya be room me 2016 me win be. After Nico Rosberg why not so winning a very tie. So he needed a title to show that. And in 2016 they showdown pa. The same thing as on talk I didn't see. That Nico Rosberg on the left. And Nico Rosberg winning the title 2016. But 2017, 2018, 2020 won by dominated. So Mercedes dominated 7 title champion, which has never happened in the history of Formula 1. 7 straight. But a free honor. Yeah, Sakaye. Ne every omo Red Bull was smart. Sakaye na buy, Ama Red Bull a decline. Mercedes car no air slow akechire kakra I'm now struggle to make sure someone nyasa we no and there yet too much fault or no so nyadie se car no nya papa tumrika ye I meet the current aerodynamic changes some dia bar and you enough so you a good driver and no and affect no and no na ama sebi contract talks no etrim na oh yes and a Ferrari e buy obuni ka say o see there be menti Mercedes na na be finally George Russell any driver who say no buy no we call no Nico Valtteri Bottas buy Valtteri no neni shena neni so nya hye nya din to push Hamilton so nya de and Sergio Perez one share ye next season one share Red Bull be pam no because number 2 they be so pian number 1 kasa so nya a lot of podium finish
that's a Verstappen kwan wo ko so be
Sergio Perez nya nansen anka 2 races spent or winning the whole season, which is bad for them. Sana Valtteri Bottas, Emma, Omupamono, or a finish, Omupamono is your Alfa Romeo. Omudi George Russell, but the George Russell there, on one sunny way, 2 years now, no more.
Okay.
What they say, they see the BBI, the £50 million a year. Maguire was on Beno. So people think that footballers make more, you have no idea. £50 million a year, no, it's minus endorsement. Endorsement, on say, good, ni tade on in no. Or the percentage bema car no do no befa.
Hey.
No negotiate. Yes. So the money they make from endorsement is so huge. When £50 million they call the bottom straight and your team in AJO the derby. Okay, so sports like this they make a lot of money. So that means Maguire for the tax or to crowd on this kind of news contract saying 300,000 saying you can't compare that to this.
Mira say Jeffrey Asare the Apostle now ten and can higher Sompa 93.1 FM. But I say
Elizabeth or we map
so nice.
Oh we map. Oh he's going
to smile
or we girls pa. We girls.
Mon fan to smile.
My fine boy.
Let's get how.
But also anybody you know or fine boy was ska and your fine boys are no money capre and manum peno. Who are fine boys always ska because manum di fine boy. Sorry I say.
Mate, me da say Jeffrey Asare the Apostle now ten and can no. You be die ho aba na mum channel so. Say Vodafone for say en kan tro say there. Eba sa o amazing news e dey ma oni nyina fa Vodafone fixed broadband. Ni nyina so mpese internet ni use ye wo de. Internet ni use ye wa kono. Enu nti de o mo ye e dey ama oni. And say new customers am be to a year broadband no the plan say mobile for first 1 month no on be 50% modus data and you Vodafone and baby and watching so almost mo wade be on the man so ultimate subscribe for 3 months in advance and also more 50% bonus of data almost more free installation Vodafone a the amount and if I unko jim na Vodafone a fixed broadband no also koko jibi no bibia nya kama no internet ne ono masem no enkoyi eso emfama jobe ni sia obetima join a Vodafone broadband family no ewo eye babia ebeboa ono nyina so be dial star 900 hash and also be free 0505 555 111 0505 555 111 and I be visit my Vodafone app na bibia so kama Vodafone fed up together na bibia enye kama ye die ho e ba ye de aka beto aso e de amamo ye femule ye femula ye femonye ye femula
Ghana for yare da akradia for fry your friend of Big 4 free game pack games no edi Waya akradia ne tuni ni die nya den kra the number ahodwa 930 kosi 9 impressa de biara na beka yenkunum difuane ho wo betumi atowo abefon kratwa bia www.gamepackgames.com ana ubebo star 946 hash wo phone so na wo dia man akradia adwumeko eneli apene game pack games akradia yi so wonni mfia du nwotwe a wontimento akradia yi fanyansa to akradia Big 4 from Game Pack Games. More moolah, more power.
Wahese wako shop akodi dwa hodo basket ma emu provisions ene nyoma hodo ehia opa we delay musa edru so na ukotua so a yaka kire wo se untimi chance me chance number na so ya keke na mom o de Vodafone cash dia uni how cry yaka ko be bia say dia untimi de Vodafone cash etua merchant bia or what network bia so straight direct sharp. Enti se woto provisions, fuel, inro, iniane. Metre se bibia opese wo ye bia no. Vodafone cash ama na ye mremremra ma wo. Ye hia obeya de se. Obe dial star 110 hash. Na tu akakọ merchant bia ho. E wo network bia so enia.
Vodafone.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Avieta Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now. And number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap-In Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
So betu kwai akusua de ewa amanone enda from kra top tier amanaye fo achechefo a ye de omoye adwuma no etutu kwan esua de ewa amanone emfi bebre ye betumi aboawo amwa degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate or US UK Australia any amama so bebre ye nchehwe ma won ma won person won sure sat IELTS and TOEFL so person wotu kwan akusua de ewa amanone dia empa top tier kumase ye wo amakom Bank of Africa and Temuho. Friend 0260-411-847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagen Plaza Building, no, and a Bonrenimu, Medina Polyclinic. Your number, 020-3592-008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service, and Chenghua. If you have Quanta Road no so, you bang Fijai School Park. Your number is 059-800-7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Esikafo wo krom wo de ya na nansi edidi hu nkomo yi en wakofa abrofo free abrochira ba besin in terms of fefefe sa no akwa ma se abrohafo 52 estate construction and ese dan kama sa no e ka no so nya hu bia o 52 estate construction firms nko na esi wo dan se because wo ka champa tie company ni din and e friend 52 estate construction oh I see what on sase and adan amanso ni ho and wo si adan so ton wo san manage properties na kire se wo pedan ato wo pasase ato anase wo pedwumaku bia amenesi modern houses amwa nya bi ato a mo na unim wo fie kura wasi etimo no se ne bra twam na wo jade ma 52 estate construction fo a that is a design in your fabie mu a mo nyese bi mo buda no nyina guo ba se no besia ye dan modern wan hwe wan ka sa wo du fie no wo hura wo hunu wow na wonu mo hefa 52 estate construction e wo Kiseman Gimpa Achimata Road 0556 72 33 38 and the Kumasen so page 4 and 12 Road over 0531 52 57 97. Social media nyina so at 52 estates.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert. Sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no. Se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica. Na etimi bubu oto ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bia enye. Na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye no wo Ghana ha ene amonone enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nko a wo mu dia bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo ma gidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso wo de kwa diabetes and hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert
Right, yes, I'm Wakwaba the Sompa 93.1 FM full time. And I think when you said the Bronem Shannon song, a Fisembre and our swing, ye be din como, and some of the above one were Ghana in pattern in Cholo. So now ye Damanum Shannon say Game Park Limited. Ye can't Game Park Limited, almost is almost a Ghana, which then a Dawson. On Pesu Biaso dinner home, Obiasu Takon, Obiasu Sikani, Unya Kaka Crana with me, you soon know some Pesika air day, Sikaso air kono, and until the Moyen almost so Tashe Adum TV Debia da anopa 9 a.m. We are 12 p.m. and a numerous 6 p.m. On board ASR numbers no so. There be any amount of numbers be bro. 9 numbers from 0 to 9. 4 numbers pay. On board that's our numbers now fine eba pay. We see ye bebre. What di bebre? Enye a Game Park Limited him for the better way. And into the any phone or tablet and our computer. Download the Game Park Nibi. And I say call Play Store bit my download. And now visit the website www.gameparkgames.com. And I saw be dial star 946 hash. Now to all networks and be a come and watch and be aso akwi edi amamon. Now also what me do one jimna enyame buana se boa usubedi sikapa mon sampa no ma ekoyi eso edi emam na eno achi Royal Foam Ghana Limited for say enkancho say na de daye dana papa enkoda obedaba sori osmadam konso obedaba sori na obi kura abochi aba na ode epamon obedaba sori da bia na ntwe pamon eni nyina na say da mattress papa so na Royal Foam Ghana Limited for say omo de Royal mattress na aba eni ntu dia be ye na say oji omo mattress na o to no omo say chow e pillows miye papa no what da so onto almost a discount esa edimam and no more sa eye de boa entidi entina onfa hon join wo ye carpenter ni wan kasa dwuma die bia wudi a ope eye Royal Foam and apem mattress de di no Royal Foam mattress and American for the amount ma ho enko wo ho na wan kasa so gibi na bia enye kama ma from 020227 1000 0202 27 1000 Royal Foam rest assured na bia enye kama yamfa nsema odu aboabo ano na anopai emfa ngo emfa emamam ye nyina nim sa enura opiem Nigeria eye eman wafu zone B tournament a omkogina mu no eno na ampem Dakuwa ladies ekogina akono omune Delta emano na eba na wiye mom ye hwe highlight ne da so no na we go a ampem Dakuwa for say ene enu adesi ya na se FM na akono ampem da akofo dinse kantam se komo kono o wafu zone B o mbetimi akwaje ayekuwa ne de abampa enu a omtimi eche Delta foi ehye homo ema omtimi ekunkunim a omde ekuwa na ebase so ma atimi qualify for African Women's Champions League no ebeko akwakubo bia me bia kama na enu china ampem da akom celebrations no abrom di crew an ema homo no na efe na S1 na enya afadi agokra yentie kakra.
The last final to Nigeria side Bayelsa Queens, and they've won it right here in Benin at the expense of Nigeria champions Delta Queens of Asaba. Running ended in favor of Apem Dakuwa ladies of Ghana. And very shortly we're going to witness the presentation.
Okay, eno ampem Dakuwa nese enra omtimiche Delta for share omo a omo eje wafu zone B na iso metima qualify ko pem the African Women's Champions League no and anra na ni general sra omo share omo ekaba akope na eno na owura ye fe no nana fosu jiabo ono na ampem Dakuwa boboku no ne dia na ebusa nana se nana wadaroma se na feeling esitie se ampem Dakuwa for etima kwaji crew idi aba.
Oh, any Jinqua, ye hotel for cars, you know, with the name convoy, Bayelsa Queens, Edo Queens, or Munina Tayaja football, the wouldn't say, Bidum to Krumana town's home, into or Munina, dear chief, near the Ababi Raya Hotel. Oh,
no de ensem opanyine ne de tu dwa ye de mam na se owura na eya mpem da kwa boboku ne ye ne dia ye friend Nana Fosuji abo na eno chi na busa Nana ada kwa wona coach edema ampem da kwa for nkunumdi a wabo amatim na di no de no so de betu dwa
ne de kwa wi I say ye di kada playing body nas oma aku mo ho anka apart from because coaches no ye be chere se okwa ye ni say ba okona se wanya ahofama tuwache avanya untimi nye sase ewi a ye boko chisabaso players na Ghana fo nyina ye the farm to semunda players na se na ye damo so ase e wo supporter mo de maye e wo enfra mo bra ye o ade mo ka bia ye tie ya mi chira Ghana ni bi o support ye the one support ye so ya mi kana kuma no nko so ensa no support ye ba Ghana de ye recap no ba ye de ba ne ya to aso ko Cote d'Ivoire asan akoya ho ade amama hu say e ma football enyini wo Ghana anya say yet yakwa echi be koso kwa ni ampem da ko nana ma bon le da kwa wi
ampem da ko nana emma ntina na ma ankodi trimude atumi akwa kokonkoden age ekru an ade abeno na Mavis Owusu wona esahema captain Edma ampem da ko boboku no ono so eni din ko bizan se me wadaru maka bibi kire ye nkunimidie yi
Kaye media sedaka sebema chidampo nyankopon aye kese ama ampem da ko afewi enu nyam sha o ma sha ne bo adwene ntiase so etoso mienu asedaka se nkoma Ghana fo nyina techimaifo na no poku Fosuji abo team members ni me players ni nyina e do bibiara ase ba bia ye duru se nka Ghana fo mpaye ene nyankopon endi echi a enke entimandu ba bia duru kakra mitima ka chiro bia ne se ye do mase yakọ fe ko ye nu be ye ko no so no o munyi o mani mu omo support na omo mompa ye entire chi nenim se ekodua bikoso a said omo support ye da bia ne san enkogo mani mase kwa kwhwe mani munya enti na dia me do bibia as me da Ghana ma nyina se techima mai kumase fo obi bia ase me da obi bia
Meda obi biase enu ye sahema ababawa wa ye captain de ma ampem da ko a Mavis Owusu na ono so ede nanu disem atudwa na enu achi no yenwuram yankasa former Right to Dream Academy omu player okopie mu Edma BK Hacken ye fe no eye Ibrahim Sadiq na sese wa join team omo Sweden wa join team fe no AZ Akma na 5-year deal na branch no etimi akwakosan ede amoma okobo adwuma ede amoma jesi number 11 and obesa ya twa Ibrahim na gu akire kama ofri BK Hacken adjoining AZ Akma okobo adwuma de amoma na no achi no na ode ensem we tudwa abra no manyina eko wie.
First of all, welcome at the club. Welcome here at AZ. How is it to be here finally?
I'm so happy, and thanks for having me here, and I'm happy to be here, and it's like a dream come true because I've been like wanted to be here, and like I know like they've been like hunting on me, and now it's done here, and I'm here, so I'm so happy to be here.
I saw you called your mom just a moment ago. That was also a beautiful moment to see.
Yeah, and like me and my mom, like we have like history and stuff, and like of course like moms and stuff, like she would be like be in school, and then after like she saw me in TV, she was like, go and play what you want to do what you want to do, and then like me coming to Holland, I have to call it to a team like AZ like this. I have to call it so that she will see and like she'll be happy. So it's like touching to call it and see her smile.
Did you
no detia ye de emao eso dwumade no so na say former Right to Dream Academy player your friend Ibrahim Sadiq, and they said what joining AZ Akma okwakobo dwuma biaye kama na no chine nhwe nyame paada kwasiada Ghana champions of champions eso ebeba so na eno opiem a na ese champion of champions a eba so no media mani Dreams FC and the epim so na say na sikomba gini gate no eswitie amusu betumanya e-ticket o dial 711 hasha na wato take it na ye kama na ni nyina ansa na me diama ne Dreams FC game no ebeba so anwumre 6 pm Cape Coast Stadium no ni nyina no so curtain razor bi ebeba so eno Cape Coast Mysterious Dwarfs as ebebo against a team your friend Venomous Vipers eno de tia e no beba so 3 pm ansa na 6 pm medema any Dreams abo champion of champions no na chano say upema gate fee no VIP 20 Ghana cedis and a popular stand 10 Ghana cedis eno ye de tia and a coach Abdul Karim Zito ono ede Dreams FC for Elko akọ face medema no edi nsembia to ahead of the champion of champions
in football there we are coach ni ebuwa wa etimu so we are behind result unya. And yes, they call Linya Efinu Kawa because this a Kappa Menjida. I just say, but I Kotokodia a 3 matches to win the league and a Yachaminsa, Masabasabina, and a coach Afanabi. And Saminya we the Kawa. I think apart from that, Maji Gala, Maji Swag, Maji Debe, Maji President, all comes Maji, but we don't mention in football there.
Meji be the pioneer Abdul Karim Zito Dreams FC coach no the sansem to just 52 estate construction SN can trust so you be a pass asiato Ghana so Kumasi wo sunwan wo takrade won cry baby wo bia no o pass asia a training kekan wa boni bia matu maka obi anu wo Langard sem bia ni mu a fa ho bebo omo na omo ye try and tested omo ye adwuma more than 15 years obi anu obetuma bo mu dimbo ne da if said your pass asibia no asase a eye krogen and omo de ma no eno chi no sa so na ope as property bia ope dan han ope apartment bia han a eno so bo omo a ombenya bi ediama location bia ya ope no eno man kasa ebepe ediama eno chom som sa manage properties e bia wo fie no wasi unia ombe so kama diama wo asase na unia ombe hwe so kama diama ejapade bia wo no obe so diama wasi fie o pesa wo ton sa so na wasi fie unwie o pesa wo ton o pe fie ato sade etie bia no o contact 52 estate construction a ombenya bi ediama hwe mo kira kwan eso e wa Accra obo mo e Kasiman Junction eye Jim Patchmo takwan no so omo Kaufman Plaza Kumase eso do ani kire mo page 4 e wo Antoa kwan no so na be hu omo from e wo 0556 723338 0556 72 3338 and 0553 1525 797 or from Ambejo so and now copy our website 52estate.com and our Facebook, Instagram and TikTok ni nyina no obehu omo saso and a Roma about Trinity of Arc Limited almost we nurse ni we lab technician we midwife health worker over so ko Canada na UK e breni ni nkwaje breni ni amdo ko bra ama dollars also na waka dollar what send obi so wa chena from sister brother wo mo me kakra Trinity of Arc Limited almost we nurse ni nkwade bra eno achu pese okọ Canada America esaso na Europe oye obi akosua de okọ diploma bachelors and a masters PhD ni nyina omo de obekọ amwa akosua de exams bia no bebo am watima atwero na eno achi no omo se companies awodo de abeda wo mo so omo pe workers mo so factory workers omo pe supermarket workers omo pe mechanics farmers bankers plumbers teachers pool loaders and securities we are mason carpenter we are Tyler adwuma bia we no omo se akwanya aba omo de obekọ akomo adwuma ketua no so ye tifre Trinity of Arc Limited for no mfan tu kwana bibia enkwema omo so yo bia Oba say unya Schengen visa ni nyina no beje ediama from 0531 644217 0531 644217 0531 633 556 and 0205 572076 o from Ombejo so Kumasi omo adoa to masalachi no omben Abrepo Junction Accra Kaswa New Market ekwa na ekwa Fidelity Bank e dan no first floor ho na be ho omo obetimi no omo di nkomo Trinity Limited Company omo na adon to so wa kontu no wiase ba bi omo do beko ama no makoi edi ama omo daroma no edi afisam ebronem hye so se insenchire tournament no e sha se ene eno na opanyine van Richard insenchire akasa edi afa tournament no ho na yenti nsem a odi tuga
I'm say yes but it's a stadium hobe full to its capacity. Okay, it's not just about the money, Senior Mr. Paul Kayeno. It's about patronage. It's about coming to show our love for football. Senior Kechi Dikankano, I'm say football command the ache. Okay. So I'm taking this opportunity and encouraging all football loving fans in and around Samra Boy to troop here. Maybe Mumbai Juma Friday, but weekend the name say normally will be Uncle Juma.
Ano ayan sama opanyini no edi tuja na enebo 1 PM na team my friend no Legon Cities and Samates ebebo in the first game ewo Nsenchire Cup no eno ebe koso Summer Boy eno edi tie yenwa mo Sante Kotoko aso ye krobia emu ode krobia yankonkwa na Dr. Keke Sapon ene ono etimi visit Asante Kotoko team no na ono mo esu edi nkomo na yente Dr. Keke Sapon.
Team in the end, they are yeah, that's a good sign. They train score like this. But well done. Yeah, that's a good time. But you're always welcome. If you want to come next year, I'm sure nobody will prevent you. Possibly. All right, good luck. If you need any help, you can always tell me. As for the waste, that means we do it always. We do it always. All right. Anyway.
Hello, and can executive chairman de Asante Kotoko, Dr. Keke Sapon and ane upiema krobia kumasa Asante Kotoko bobuku no utimi university wo mo no mdin komo so se dey team no ujaya enye ye na enu achi no na owura friend James Kwasiapia ka chen so next time eba be poso yi no wasi hotel kese serbia team no ba eba be dam free e se o ye parki eba no ane ye boss boy aba biaye kama na Kotoko akonfirm so ma sane baba yaya emfie miensa Oma sign no a obebo adwuma ama bia so e kama baba ya formerly of Kim Faisa na obonkuma na kasafo na so tene na opiano oba guys why say 30 Rivaldo no obebo mama sa ade na bakama krobia so oma sign no and watch no yan hwe se wurama Ghana Premier League transfer window no data na wose cruise no se mpanyimfo so oma extend se utwa omude akwa kopiem on the 8th September 11:59 PM and a Friday on betimi close to Ghana transfer window no ama bia so ay kamananka bana wie on the 4th September na 5 PM then so I'm the call Friday 8th September 11:59 PM and no a latest development eba ye de emam so no so na Eric Bonsu so assign ediama insu atreman FC mfie baako and wasign ediama to 1 year ono be boy dwuma be bia kama so na Mohamed Rashid so assign ediama bofakwa tano ono so afiba ko and wasign ediama mo no mama no 1+1 into 1 year na wasign no or another 1 year and your option into about 1 year na per clause somebody say no performance no okay the ma bofakwa na so mo pa metim na transfer extend another 1 year at the ama Abrante Mohamed Rashid and we the Real Tamale United oma extend Baba Kushibu oma extend no contract na the ama 1 year so no so nkwaso no mo adwuma bibia so enya kam na adwuma na de wine kama pa e the ama mo Tamale United bobo Korea Tamale United na Bafu Polo set no nyabi se ese wa akono ese wa e man krofo kwa ni ba ho ni nyina no se omo design ne kama omo African print polo shirt omo African print golf shirt and omo African print run neck shirt and omo African print V-neck shirt na omo say there obetuma betu nto so pa cotton mrantena mo nya adwuma no mo metu ni jefi na mo cotton nya mfa so bebre eno atwa bia boutique o Fred Bebro na waton o ba be warrior ene shirt obi atwa obi ahye editwa picture no Bafu Polo shirt unya bia bebo apa eno achi no se nka can say or the package baba or gold package you know shirt in 20 in the room box and a silver package in 15 and all box and all bronze and also 10 na gold no auto baby will be a Ghana baby no omo de be bro free delivery na kama ediama na omo se kan say we come check ko kuma sa hinima kokobem santasi ko be kwa no so from 0249 600 789 0249 600 789 0599 899 919 o from Ombejo so na bibia so ayekama shansa babia wo Ghana bia no o from Omde be brone bia kama na top tier travel concert yan kan to say omde no honam so na ayade so be so kwa broche ko suade a omo mane nya den emfa ma ni nyina say top tier travel concert omo experience a teachers omo ya de no over 18 years a che so metuma mo ko suade wa broche exam saudi bia no ombe boa ama so timi ayem omo se ba so percent okwa masters sa so na de opesa akwa bia no ombe boa na wakwa say US Canada UK Australia Austria New Zealand country bay and a person okwa na okosua do momni school no ene dinkita ho entom do okwa omnim eye qualification akwa ya ebeboa any programmer abeda no omde wakọ fa ho bo wo mo ebia enye kama enfama no omo say top tier so okosua de wa brochira enu nti no omo boa no omo branches ni bebre organa ha enu bebia no do ho bo ma ebekoi Accra office no o Medina Rolling Circle CCA Gun Plaza building omo Medina Polyclinic Canadian from 0203 59 2008 and a Kumasi office no amakom traffic light and the Bank of Africa and a Benson from 0260 411 847 and a Takrade omo ben NK City Fire Service a fiam kwanta kwano so omo ben Fijai School Park from 0598 007 852 na bibia enye kama eso emfama o madaroma no mo boy chidom ene emi de fisem ebro Michael Asaribodu Atanasimiki nsam ye de bebre na guo
mame started with Ampem Dakwa and I think the Omaye no idea as a fantasy about my
Sompa FM
Omoko last year and then they fell at the last hurdle and then Bayelsa Queens no a show more omumum a competition omo qualify for Champions League proper and before some back this year no they were all confident almost all the players in interviews omo grantee and then even the coach na omo esi omo bo kan omo sinipi e kan say omo nim di nti omo qualify last season now this time around omo kwa akwaje omo qualify akọ Africa and even omo kwa Africa na there hazake say no omo hope is omo better which is to win it.
Okay,
so clearly it tells of a team that learned from omo first ever appearance of a competition in first ever appearance challenges been on one encounter traveling na issue more camping na issue more and then even mobilizing fans and other forms of support na issues anymore. This time around yes they were able to strike a deal until you fly on I think it's an hour and then you call Nigeria now they made sure say unlike last year now akwentu omutu wa ha ekoka border ye hodi omo ka mu all those stress pressure no omu yi sa je ni free so the players entered the competition with a different mindset to the compare last edition. Then ball na nkasa they made sure they killed off opponents if necessary into mama somewhere now 4 Mariam Ponsa MI 4 goals ononkwa one player 8 goals plus the team nankasa super contributed their support and then in the final game against Yavan's a club or no chrome near game no they were able to hold their own, keep a clean sheet which is pivotal and then score the winning goal. I think it's a highly commendable. I'll say about Mabaso and Ghanaian clubs have won 2 times out of 3 in terms of Sawafu Zombie way a try idea mienu it does say and mark clubs ne wahana omoji league no omunimbo ne boama and I say the rest of the African way no more wafu zombie no football at that level in terms of women's football no in this rosa a 2 tenths say almost our countries no Atletico ne wan mu oman wode ni ne soro sa emben ye de ni baby a anase ye ne ye so even when they are good ye mom look it so average am yet me sure mo anyhow but when no e wo mba football mo particularly Luther me hu bi pen inti if say Antonio Nyoma year a time will soon come they witness with Azakes ladies near Pem Daquano. I feel cry the waffle zombie in the cry, see a baby match back or a bed in the Amae. And I'm saying this based on the fact that your national team are Black Queens. No? First, near the second best team in Africa. Or the advance Azakes score CAF Women's Champions League. They were the second best club, women's football in Africa. Some nobody second. Good. No, not Black Queens. And they're the second best team in Africa. They are Ghana and Nigeria never go final. Nigeria for now one then bro at the end of 20. No ma share. Now you're free the second force, a third force. Abra Equatorial Guinea be rim. South Africa be rim. Cameroon a rim. Zambia abe rim. So Ghana na the second force and yet Nigeria no. CCA ni yabeto be 7th.
Say qualification prayer na good.
Enti club no ya shase ni ye ni year. Nioma ye ne yenhye mukina. Se ne be ya ye betimi agina bebi agina na anase ye betimi akompempenso obi kura. Omo wo ya se ne ye betwe omumu. So some of these things are good. Yes Ghana club betimi akoti enim say. But mema ye rest on ye laurels ye ya jiwe nti ne ewie. Edwuma kese na nkasa wo ho a. I was say one, how do we strengthen a stronghold? Semba football club level, yeah, bonne kuye maya. Quite ben a year fast wa ye to make sure say we always remain at the top. Then you bring your consistent appearances. It was our competition. Say, do you know what it does for the girls? Say Mariam Ponsane, Ophelia Ponsane, Dynamo Akumuni Wemono. So Munya Quenya Kwakobo Africa na the CAF Women's Champions League. It gives them exposure. Oh yes. So aside that national team stint, no mubenya abo with the national team, no. What it also does for them, they are able to audition their talent. Send a beya dachibi. Say club be wa Africa na ne money more was raw. And say we blessing Shaya Bomazi. Azakes player no. And no call Morocco club.
Yeah.
Yes, far. And you Doris Bodua or
Serbia.
Every match,
at the moment,
every match is that everybody just say might be about 90 minutes.
I don't know who no. I just saw we are Champions League we Champions League. We do our Evelyn. Onu do din kan cooperate. So this tournament no my girls near exposure. Amo munya kwenye bia and ordinarily omo boy a Premier League near FA Cup na munya. So we need to be consistent at this.
Sompa FM.
Say yeah.
Mikisa de oya e mane ye no so no. Efe no a play major ibi umana.
I know me sure say efe na ye adwuma sen ampem da ko omo run club no.
Okay.
So
what should happen? Like Obisa no, what about sustain? So it means that I think they have to give them some money.
Yeah,
right?
$20,000.
So what it means is that last year she and year and then this year we say ya tuana mobia abwa.
Yeah.
How do we sustain like you are saying?
I think that next year $35,000 so the other co-op no.
Good. So it means even the prize money or man league should go up a bit.
Exactly.
Omo logistics omo here football equipment and money kiti FA.
Yeah.
See I say ade no ye man 3 seasons na mienu ajiwa for zobieza ye pepio mo chikakra. Even near the man ye fuck it to be cram man pia mana because what they've showcased in 3 years better than what the men have done.
Oh be
because
a chance na ma football na se ne enshedam value
2 out of 3
but say no say ma football no ani ba ho pa and they say man so do na so nya opportunity mu tu kwan
so
we need to maintain that but yambo nana I think whatever thing is done any vision look at that for more. Any football and money is not that profitable. And yeah, member clubs in the yes cat said yes no. Then to talk of a football. But for somebody, an individual, to hatch this vision. Say me person me say de boa and mabaiwa. Me more an avenue where omo ne keke, but they will better their lives as well. Inti me house omuntia rent. Me feed omo omuntu ediane. Then bosume so ye benya kakra so dia momo.
Sompa FM.
Luther, imagine this now. What do you find? Say what you wo fi ohwe enkwada num. Ene ye enkwada.
Onzo siri.
Ohwe enkwada num. Vanessa. Now akofa eye emabaiwa. Maybe the onyini wom kra no be 17-18 years. Now a house close to 30. O now show mo ti omo rent mo aduane di mo nsuo nom entade shemu kra no you also cater for a part of it. Akwentu we mu ni na no onu ni sika na bekom kese. It is not easy to have people like this. And ye know more Ghana football mua. And this is to Omase.
Oh yeah.
These are the people we need to shine the spotlight on. Ni entry a man for the donor dreams to say they are the ones who make our game better. Say nyane seso beye enum ewo ma football ni mua. Imagine what will happen. Since you bury ladies so more ye baby. You want to bury ladies pejaba give to our mensa. It is because they have developed a certain passion for the sport. But no cry the son call your baby here. It's one agenda. But this is a man. Come back to me the team member team. Then academy or beton players in Yeska.
A man from different backgrounds.
Exactly.
Different culture.
So I don't think say man way I was say you fan a trash me who say I was be Basnes or Mubo Biabaswa, he should be one of them.
These are some
and why consistent to he has been very consistent. As why I could be no to na dream. What was why if Moses Amapaka Sabas body this man also deserves it. Yeah.
No, he deserves more than deserving. Look, what he has done. You see, Zangana no, Ayana ya fan yama be trantia, and he for years our investigation discuss cost how much he spend on a team a day, a month, a year. Who feed the girls 3 times? Who the fans say twice a day, cry. If you are 30 people feed you twice a day, how much the cost is for a month? For years. On Paba. And when you remember the other day, Bakubin, we are 2-3 years, we are be from one tombi. We won't tombi a G3. And also this kind of goons I be more. For years is done that.
The competition, prize money, the Daso Krana, intimate Kitafo.
And to such a man, it's not about the trophy present. Look, I say celebrating. Now you're encouraging Nabamimbu. Don't trust no one yet. There are other people through that recognition. Any man no. Ombe decided said also come Moma and Yamia Shrom Kaka. Be into my football. But me say the next code a my football. Watch it. This year my football I'm FIFA $550 million revenue. A more eyeballs when it comes to television. In the next 5 World Cups, a ma World Cup seeker any member the difference and soon can see. Because a ma member will be in SCUs, but a sponsor money much and money. So they say. Now FIFA swap packaging Nigeria CAF. I had the practice more cheap doctor. Senor Noah. That's why I'm saying he's the best CAF president because the first seed money, $10 million on this year move. The first one.
Okay.
Oh dear. So as I had to honor see conference. So something I ain't to way buy it. We have suffering like she's done that. And a ma okwa $400,000. We need $400,000. Sky also. Yeah. Show motivation. What do I say? And then the platform. First, the man Bobo be new, and then no. Africa crown a man. Oh yeah, dear. It be a son as a ma. Agbesimi or can I say me or years far or bo. And the end free her. The net destination you even on the African continent. You bet me at all. You're improving scab beam, you better.
Even the motivation itself, Grasse, my bobo me your bar, ya Tommy.
Who took
places,
yeah.
And I'm sure now recently Lutier Memuna to goalkeeper. Or say born or boy no yeska. Basicano nyani nano. Nasa ne antibio sending no yare. As a nana. Or yare diabetic. See, I say this cani do ni na no. I would be chefie. Most of these girls are almost one way.
Of course.
Now Grace Santua from a TV booth.
Yeah.
If you free And they say if make man say because of greater Grace as 20 and the girls be bro ati be more develop so bobo.
Yeah.
So call police ladies are one route to you ho. Obo Doris so if like and kakra so anya hwe ba bia Grace ni free any true football no copy mo Spain. Any de what me aba ye ne family ni boa wo mo a.
Ntinkanya ball na.
Say nya ball na ko be de. So anga ba this mema ball rough.
Because na on music school na me free mu kram se no nya music.
That's the point.
But in a family bed no not me eyi bebre.
And no na ya ka no. On say basa no. Sisi ano ma body bi ameka sisi ano o mother ana papa na mami. Sisi a bagele bobola jano number. Because enche ma ball no faso awoso no. Girls nyina papa hwe mu nyina ebusia we girls e obi afre ebusia ba ko mu. So men fan tra me see or omo nyina represent ebusia ba.
30 years.
Now most of them 99.9 free here fi. Here for ba. Sen kolai call CAF Champions League. Nyame be adum so be ya de kakra. Nyam be to mu nyina no. Scan ba enya busia na ba be.
Ba busia ha.
So even though who say players so players no more papa no shop. Almost represent papa no share families. In case nyame bo mo no mo nya be bi pa gina through Apimda quality and through the CAF Champions League bana a pure common bebre.
So papa juma no ya no so abusia akwala na yare.
Yes.
Obese nya onya problem kra wo fia.
Amoma
untimi nja ne so no kwa
monthly issues.
And normally emba share dancing member.
Oh yes, because of how complex they are. So they say. So young man about so he deserve it. Why are they papa? He and let's say Uncle Nab. I mean Uncle Nab so because or investing in women football a lot. What do I say? So I'm glad, but men only has lady and Pinda has become like 2-horse race. They be encourage now other clubs no more some back up kakra. So there will be a lot of competition, and then also you best spread the whatever comes out. And next time be ladies almost be call. Send a you be ma other girls and some other clubs. Almost boost depends on those ones. Send a baby back baby mienu so that baby will be a false record with Nigeria. About my boba, almost I say jai. Until I work at be mark for 91. So they have done well because we built a Nigerian team. Other ones omoba, but for Nigeria, this is not the first time. Even Bielsa, Black Hazake Shogun, and Yabesha Delta. So it means that we are having a stronghold over Nigerian for Mano. And yet it's not for fluke because Azak score finals. It means that they deserve it. And yet fluke. And yet happy. And I'm hoping sir I'm in the quality me I come with him. Me if for nothing at all a final or we win the trophy. It's possible you should dream about. Yes, Mr. Fowl, Mr. Sanders, these are the two powerful ones. But hey, you must dare to dream. And I believe that almost caller now preparation 1st November next year's Ivory Coast. Preparation September near me. So there's until almost here celebration week where they almost and yet easy to achieve such a feat. Until almost then so after 1 week any braba. Because more no go share and yeah we no go share. I couldn't inform. Until your mom when be no prepare ye. There are a few things that I'm sure coach no we are in. She improve it, prepare very well. Now I'm going to Ivory Coast. Now I'm going to share you. Dr. Ege Sapon. Dr. Kofi Kodia Sapon. Very good friend. Yes. Top was getting bought here, but brilliant. One of the finest I've met as a journalist. One of the finest CEOs of my media. A challenge you journalists when you are coaching across on Nikas, I challenge you to make sure that you are in your top shape to talk to because of the level of intelligence and the IQ. And we're very selfless and project now your people what order the project. Migun order. But me say me yes special with there's nice base be or me guy be or nice hotel but say me nya day na you can spend weekend be or na mo ko share project no. Look, you have no idea the project that is there. Huge project. There's a huge acres of land for the academy. Then AstroTurf no maybe that. Then there's a grass pitch. And then there's who share the facility for the head coach and administrator as a hotel. And so that's why Koroga happy said, and first of all, you're not even paying anything. Maybe with the hotel. But or I earmark a plot for the construction of that. Now I did back where be there about all this things. I see this work Kotoko have been missing over the years. Unya a former executive board chairman, oba closer to the club. I be Sebi or no I ready to open the facilities craft for Kotoko. Then I ready so oba boy which are and no in the past will be free Kotoko the yaw on person of bent him no, not the yaw call a buffo, bibi okra, baby okra sebia, the new yam. I saw the 30 minutes and now said baby the deep bread do up a quambia. Kotoko baby I bet me the nim dear and the deep bread not be quite a macoton. This is a very good example of that. I think that the rest also should follow suit. We are very good. I don't know why the camera pick it is wrong. Because when they say something about operation, you know it shouldn't have been picked by the camera. And then call my boy be way. And yet but so see a home crowd a baby or boy. That's very important. So I said, no, I said sumo seja. See me boy crowd sumo seja.
Ways and means.
Aha, all operations, Pacho. Mama for be operations. Yeah, chichimu. Yeah. Now that you look at it, well, you look at the facility.
Wow.
You understand me? By next year, you would have been better than even this.
Oh yeah.
And Kotoko will not pay anything for. Because of executive board and who are running Kotoko club before is selfless. And it's we should encourage. There are so many Kotoko who are blessed with resources to help Kotoko in diverse ways. So I call hotel Botema. So that does not pay.
Sir.
And that is, but you see, we must make sure, sir, it's good. The IMC never could see because could see appear or last week could see appear. You work on your Bewa, work on a President Kufuor. So he's had opportunity. Why Jumama top administrator were very successful. Was Sean Mabry, so you bring this expertise to bear on this. So I beg guide him. It's good for the club, and it's good the coach have a relationship with him, and then the rest of. Or never be our back or be our mistake back home, you know, be positive aspect. Then you know a moment where the IMC will engage him. Or check on Nim Diano or the Bebois.
Okay.
Oh, one could see a peer relationship. No? Very hard to Bibi I know the doc. Now we know you said the false white when say and other past one thing I like about Benson, the only thing I do be advice because he also has a lot to offer. So Kotokono said be any power could broad. See, the IMC should also learn to open its doors and then for people to accept it. And then also also call on them. Say, Mwabi or no matter foot be or they should be observing till one almost afraid finding out. A quiet try, Papa now.
Okay.
And I be a child baby. So that's it.
But I say, I know Jeffrey Asari, the apostle, now 10 and can say, Michael Asari Bodu, a brain in the obet my free. Now, so do I drink Traba. And somehow do I Yabubosu in a number there 0551. 931 931 0548 931 931 with my friend na also do sem aba nsem awdo ya bobo su nyina no na also do adwen chaba hale hello yes I wouldn't be free
le mo chala pai
mini ayenkwe
ni wa ko crossword ni mkaje pinje so
asma bi yanko
mama chale mo ba so na e ga dia ku poncha wa bo na pa na 2012 president me for the Christmas the gala for new to friends wa ma ya de za ba no mo ba tu ti wa no face le do be nya so je kana lo ya do da ko fi empia le be bo so ni tu pa ma mja ya na jira en semna na ma bo so na be trese football come la bi la yete bi to be for the promise on me ya dia e mo mo football nko so amon to mbo ati no mo nche no ma se de ba ya mba bo dia ade en ba ya ko no de bi etira o de Africa e de to ba mo ka come de omo be promo ba no ma kan bia ata de ma bi da de afu me kram no football na nko da no on tam to bi ni da se baba
me so me da se cross modu hale
ya lutake
yes sir
we de wa o ba o fa ti wa je nya Robert me da de ku ku branda Damicha, I go to the tune and I would say, Yami. I look at all the Yamaya, or my idea, Papa, now. Yes, sir, on my bay of the Yami, I don't know what video. If we want to come, let's get you over to Mama and Bano with the piano. Over Mama and Bano, because remember Nagaja, the right and Kamoba, they are from that. It is a man of Suba. You're from the moment ceremony because the man of the Shamu, the Affiliate pay for more when you come out.
Meso medase.
Hello, Luta.
Yes, sir. Mayola di.
Good morning.
Good morning, bro.
Apo.
Nyame aduminu ya.
Na wa ni ajoli hito ba ja ranfo. Arasu.
Yanko eminu ya.
the Massimo Farm. Our chair, the big Hadian, Mr.
Minamba Chayetio. Oh, Fatcher me, one to many now, so I'm found another collar. Udin baby are free.
Look at him,
Myola, I am queering him.
Oh, look at him, look at him, then kind of football, and then we are seeing the Bia football. Football, and first year, and pay from Mutias, and move from there, where they say, the big football, all down from down here. We have some all class of Moro, move, I think I'll only play a home with you. The boss of my face, I'm going to come back to where I'm moving somewhere. What happened to